Yeah, me alright.
Sure.
Me just hungry before me left here this one, me tell us I'm asking if you eat and this upper say can come?
Mama, you can't eat so early. You ever see people get up early late at morning time?
Yeah, we funny old people them. Talk it true.
Old people and you are
Well, me hungry. You're not gonna get me something for eat.
Me I call and get us something.
No, me want you go get it for me eat. You know me not like them style.
You style, mama, you call food place, you order food and them deliver it to you. One more than that you want.
Yeah, do too much talking, you know. Just go get it something for me eat now, please and thank you. Because I'm not beg Jamaican black people, you know.
I call and make it a food for you.
No, get up and go buy. More good time for myself. More break.
Why? Girl.
Where go, mama?
Why?
Buy this. Yes, my friend, come to talk to me.
So maybe I say
Come, girl. Sit down here.
Girl, boy, I don't know how you can't find one nice man. Girl, I know me can't find one man.
Me can't find one man there now, mama. Don't worry yourself. Me find one
What you
man
mean
there.
by find man? What you mean by you can't find one man girl?
See one man and girl.
So you try to tell me, say, if you want a next man, you can find a next man for yourself.
If you slip a slide.
Watch your mouth.
Girl.
Man, don't please me.
So what happened differently?
You can go buy something, be man.
Hello? Yeah, man, me a forward. Give me about 5 minutes. Me a forward.
Who call you? Who call you?
No, do that. Don't do that. Me have business to deal with. You see me? So, me a forward back. Me get a food for you. You see me?
Me have business to deal with to go on.
Watch on, man. Don't play it. Me just
Go get your phone
relax.
now.
Too far back. You see me?
Girl. Man, yeah, I get born.
A part of life. You have to get
Why?
born.
Born I forget sometimes. That's a holy man.
So girl, you know no man.
Girl, that me don't know.
Me tell you top scammy people and boy pick me, that's why you grow on them head too much and I give them the buff.
I don't think that time doesn't find the right one yet. But soon as
Me not find the right one yet neither.
Cause that one then is already.
You want boss me up too much. I mean,
Girl, come we go out, go down your road.
What?
You don't feel like it change? Every day you're out, you see you drink, you smoke, you drink, you smoke. You don't feel like me hungry.
What you mean by me drink? You see me as a little girl?
I want that behind you.
I destroy me just light a while ago.
Destroy you in a day.
Yeah! We a mosquito out here, sir.
We can smell the craving here.
How you know a craving here? How you know I said this a craving here? Oh shit.
See it?
Hush.
Me hungry.
Me ask you a question, the fridge not stuck.
Yes.
Gas no over there.
Yeah.
Water no over there. Pot no over there. So where you get a damn two and them for do? You cook!
Are you fi cook, give me? You are my father. You out here say smoke.
Hello. Your mother said you come down and come spend holiday, you know.
You said me don't have to take care of me. So that means that you fi cook for me.
How comes me get up every day and cook for you when I have to be busy working?
Busy smoking.
You can't catch me a smoke?
Yes.
And somebody beg me light it for them, and me light it and out it back for taste it for them.
Me see hand.
Okay.
5 of them. Somebody beg you for light 5 craving there.
One. That's for tasty.
So you did 5.
I remember when I did 5. Don't want me. Listen to me. One over here.
One. So cook.
One over. Not disturb me. One. If you stove can't light, if you don't know how to light the stove, you eat it raw. Backside.
So girl, I want to find the right man, Gio.
Yeah, girl, make sure.
Yeah, when I man them, you can just pimp him out. You can have money and things, no Gio. You can just pimp him. Hello, good evening.
Evening or afternoon now. What problem?
Hi. Nothing top shutter. Everything alright.
I don't know your friend and you call out my name.
I'm sorry. This is my friend Top Shatter. Top Shatter, really bad girl.
Where man there?
Where my man?
Yeah.
In the yard.
You have my little food ready yet?
Careful. I'm not sure. Something like that. It's processing.
Oh, coming on plain. It's when me say me want my money, me want my money. Me don't want no guy I come tell me about next week. Next week come and tell me say next week. Me not in them bullshit there.
That's the girl. She don't care for you.
Nobody.
Huh?
You don't want that woman.
You can't wash,
Yeah, she can wash.
Yeah.
can't cook. You cook rice and peas.
She cookie bad. Make a little 10 finger plus a 10 toe.
I no KFC this.
When I take get your go think of KFC.
I ask you a question. How you cook rice and peas?
So first, you sort the peas. After you done sort the peas, you go put it on the fire. Girl, shut up. Then after you put the peas on the fire, you go put garlic in there. What the next long one? You want green one? Scallion and thyme. No, the thyme ready to go in there. Then after the peas cook, you go wash the rice and throw it in there. No, wait, no, pause. You don't put the coconut milk, you don't put coconut milk in there or coconut powder.
And the sugar.
No, you don't have to put sugar in it.
So, talk to the man.
Yes.
And can I ask you a question? How long have you ever been in a relationship for?
7 years.
8 years.
Yeah, how much?
22.
My 23.
23, and you're in a relationship for 8 years. Look for me good.
Me a bad for me young. You know, you're me a bad girl, Riri.
Bad girl, really?
Yeah?
I don't know if you cook rice and peas. Yeah, he from Buck. You not to know how Scallion. You not to know Scallion.
Tap disrespect my friends, so. Tap this also.
When
We
you
know Baba and not disrespect us, so don't disrespect my friends.
listen me.
Talk to the girl if you talk to the girl and tap this her. She can't fool, she a fool you. She want to know if you're a good man. You see, you make him man this set up
Fool
fool
who?
man. Yo!
You are fool me.
Yeah?
You are fool yourself.
Come here for myself.
Because let me tell you something. When you want to know a good woman, you check them background.
Check for her. She's
So
a very
check
good
my
woman.
background. Turn my
Show
file.
your background.
I know you file that, mama.
Me see my background.
You know if you take care of it. Me have a daughter down there. You know if you take care of it.
Yes.
She have a niece.
My daughter are 14.
Her niece a
What you can do for her?
Yeah.
Your food. Wash our clothes. And send her to school. And make sure that you're properly comb and make sure she's properly dressed to go to school.
Yeah, she well groomed.
Alright. Carry her back tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Same place?
No, me tell her.
Alright.
And tell Bob to link when he's done.
Alright, top shutter.
Alright, top shutter.
Alright, bad girl, Riri.
But wait, how that? Shatter!
What going?
There, man, where you go?
Yeah, I feel. Someone say I go on for my thing.
Boy, I don't say for me thing not ready yet, but in a process though.
Same thing for me, you know, my thing not really strong yet, so. You know, say.
Alright, we are drink. No matter.
What?
Let's go.
Everything there, man.
So I go on for the woman then.
Boy. No say from my pass through, me not see none of them, me don't know if they lock in.
You see for your woman pass with a friend there, you know. I see one there, you know.
Eh?
For your one there, chat, man. I don't know what for your one. I don't know if you have none.
Bad old
Yeah,
shatter.
man, look at my butterfly one.
So you don't want her.
Oh, that's what you know. Because she don't know how to cook rice and peas. She doesn't know Scallion.
Yeah.
Because she has a time the African in the pot right away. I never see rice and peas cook at the time
bad,
at
bro.
the same time.
So you drink
Come on,
rum
so
chang, man, like you go on a Rex will come more, man.
You see what I feel?
So, you go to... Me have a new weapon that come down still, you know. Yeah. So if you bring my 100,000
Alright.
in the week, and Bob get my 100,000 in the week, I can finance more weapon. You see me?
Then the right way that man, but yeah man, I can't get it man. Believe someone, I can't get it.
It's my daughter now. I think I want to send him back home. I can't manage him because he's go get too hot. I have a plan to go to Mexico and then go cross the border and go to America then to transport some drugs.
So the right way that we can eat piece of food so.
Oh, no way.
What do you mean by
Me,
so I'm doing?
you have to transport yourself if you want to eat too.
So no one team.
Yeah.
So me, if you go across the border, when you get catch, you say you brute you. And then I want to lock off the ear.
We lock off you and put on for you look until you get released.
And I say work. And I say work. So me get to me 100,000, I have a problem with that.
Yeah man, yeah, me not tell us I get there already man boss. Yeah, what I'm to you man?
Buy 100,000, me not have a problem with that.
Yeah, I get your money man.
You want to look a bank agency, young girl, you know. Nice, you know. And she me I work with, you know. She in the bank, every $1 she pull out.
That's it, man.
Yeah man, she pull $5 out of everybody's account every day. You know what money that? Imagine 1 million people might take $5 out of 5 million, that's enough. Easy, you know.
What? Rich man.
Without nobody know, you know.
They get that on the shirt for your child. We not alright man.
But me can't pull the money yet. She a pile them up, but she don't understand, so she just give me it right away and to pile them up.
I think because I do everything get mashed up and with that grand.
Right! But if she get catch me in a business with she, I don't mean in the office.
So if we get here, then I'll be busy with that.
No man, I can't say that one. Don't say that one. If we get catch, the whole of it go down. If we get catch, I'm not a fuck with me a chat. If we get catch, we go down. Right?
So I'm to you.
No, you don't know me. If me get catch, everybody go down with me.
So we agree.
Because you don't understand, the boss have to carry down everybody with them, you know. But the workers do not carry down the boss.
True.
Right.
Yeah.
So you understand what I'm trying to say?
I understand.
Because of the boss I go free, you know. So you see how you go now.
You get it.
If you don't go down and involve me now, I can't pay the commission, I can't pay soup.
Yeah,
To let you know. So now use yes, sir. Somebody got to go and let somebody to bail, you know. But if me I go down under the link, so me have to carry with me too. Yeah.
Not sound right now. Not sound 100.
That's my daughter. When I come back out here suffer again, man. Jesus, peace, man. I want to that little girl there, man. Where you want now? Wow. Where you want? Talk fast.
Evelyn.
Talk fast.
Hungry.
Again? So you don't know what to do?
Me tell you, say you fi come cook for me. So you asking supper.
Go on, man. Just go on, man. Then me I come over. Just
No
relax.
feel like you fi tell yourself to come cook food, give me.
Can't tell the boss that.
I'm a doing thing.
I'm our boss, you know.
Go on, man. Learn for your manners. When you see big people turn up, you say, relax yourself.
True.
You should
that.
turn back.
Should I give you 15 minutes?
Why boss, yeah, so you go in there young.
Yeah. You don't just make sure me get my thing. I'll go over.
Yeah, man. We control that anything.
You know,
Go on, road. Go on, man. You good.
You good man, boss. You
Go on, road.
good man, we have all our vibes.
You know, see Chris can't cook.
You love man too much.
Sure.
Girls, no see a man there. How would that they can upside your man?
My man, you need to be riches.
You can't. I think you have 2 man, no, but I can't set it.
No problem, so turn up your song. Be what going?
Oh, man.
Mm-hmm.
I come from?
Where there, Salo?
No, I'm there, so I go and resume my G. I know where they are going to do some business.
Okay.
You know,
Mm-hmm. See me, I should talk to you about.
what that?
Hmm?
I mean, yes, I'm stuck with it.
Relax yourself, Bob.
Back off, no man.
Are you for relax? Like your room, I get to your brain.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, move application. Sign the application. Alright. So I.
Oh. How hard you know that? Tell me.
You know, so the mama are too fierce for me.
She said she want you. She see and like you.
couldn't tell me that.
Simple. No, me did shy.
Oh, you're shy about.
To tell one man to more them.
Oh, you're not shy about that. This guy
Yeah, me a
call six bad man for the ends and a shy about.
Oh.
What
What you
name?
want fasting after them business?
No, I don't really say fast. You know, I'm a dog. I'm a
Oh,
sick
my
man.
name bad girl Riri.
Oh, but yo, a bad girl for real.
Bad girl. I have a man come a bad girl too.
We are on the era still, you know.
Una alone?
We are on Shatter. You know,
Shatter,
we
what Shatter there?
Shatter. Shatter the back.
Who?
Parfum blocks, man. You know,
Oh.
You know, yeah, but we are on Shatter.
So if you know Shatter?
We no must know. On Shatter,
I
we
will
done.
them par. I ain't done. Shatter.
I'm a boss,
Them have to listen to Shatter. I chew me seat.
So
Obvious.
we are doing it and so with the man come me want go home.
So where you go?
No, me I come with you.
Home.
No, man, no.
Bill, but
Do your two together. No, do your two
So come make it whether we just go
Shatter
somewhere
now
now.
go like that if you don't just come and cut.
What you know there?
No chill, man.
miss
We have rum, you know. We have
me
rum.
no
We
want no
soon
rum.
come.
Make sure you go up in the yard.
Yes, up in the yard. Jesus Christ. Shatter. Shatter, Jesus, help me.
Come on, can you just torment? Oh, what go on, brother?
Where dude?
Hey, where they go? Go in.
Evening.
Go in, the
You just
bride.
get big and bold, so go inside.
You don't know, sir. Pick me and see me a drink and I all advise my staff, them and I come call me for the road. Tell them, man. So I want to bring in this area now.
There, you know. So me I go.
See, I govern the area already.
Yeah, but we're going to know say politics time now. See?
No, man, the boss they link me already, you know.
You
They
link
must,
already.
yeah, man, they must send them some weapon for who no want vote for them.
I don't want no weapon alone and then send them money. I want the place here fix up. And that me a different from me
No.
and you the place to stay so. You see
Yeah,
me?
but yeah, no, me tell them, say, listen, me, I ain't not murder nobody because they not vote. I just threaten them alone because everybody have to live.
You see by my quarters anything me say gods. You me say vote everybody have active.
Yeah, but you can't force
The
them.
amount of people make look for them
ID.
ID. In the last couple of months, amount of people get their ID because of me.
I say if you go. But some of them people here now, then just look them. You see all the girl them now, the girl them enough, them plenty, but I keep
You
it
know what
cool.
about girl that you whole heap of girl there plenty, whole heap of girl there. So
Wait,
it depend.
when there, I go on easy back and I look through life and I say, boy, why future I go plan out September 3 coming voting time. If me party leader win, we might get some money to help
Brother,
you.
yeah my brother. I who for side it depend?
You don't need to
Because
know
I never know you. Which one I side it depend?
any side we win at them me I go for. Yeah, you know that. Me not
You
pick
mean
at
to tell me say you're on a JLP?
me and none of them. Any side win at them are the leader, them fi give me money when me help the youth them. You think me I hear that?
JLP your side.
JLP our side.
You hear me just say?
Me say anybody win, and them me I work with.
JLP your side. You don't talk.
Alright.
Here or no?
Pick side for me, man.
Tomorrow Monday morning, I give you this. Yes, that I you lunch money.
Just Monday morning.
Yeah, tomorrow if you get a big food, me say me did say me go check in. You get water.
Yeah, man, no heard about that.
Yeah, get water. Nobody gonna use the money buying a rum. You know.
No man, that good man. Monday morning.
You understand what me I say?
Monday morning.
What
Yeah.
happen Monday morning?
This. Yeah, man, you good, man, you good.
I'm go check it in, sir.
Alright.
Alright.
Check me tomorrow.
Make sure that you go to school.
Cause you know, realize that tomorrow a holiday same way. You know, because that's summer winter. Go on, where you go? You come like you not focus. You not focus, man. Boy, I tell you about them, I pick me, man. I pick me. You see? You understand? Man, I drink and a whole of vibes and you come call right in front of my colleague. I don't understand that. I want her. Huh?
Wagwan chapa.
What?
You know la mo see you.
What problem?
No for me I pray you. But I not look my way, me don't know wagwan.
You're free.
See all smoke and drink just like me.
You're frightened me to come here one day you free before you come think of free for murder me, you know.
No, me not them type of girl there.
No, listen to me, man. You see if you're free me, you want me, you have to show signs. You don't
I
free
lie.
me. You show sign of affection. So you don't want a man, you have to show gratitude. You
I lie.
understand? Intelligence. Yeah, just like come here, free the bank teller. So when I ring the bank teller,
yeah, free
the
bank
bank
teller.
teller blush every time you talk for her. Come tell her, say the bank system at tea. Every time I go in and make sure I'm telling the truth and the right to say, yo, you see that? You see, on the company you want to work for, it's a criminal organization. I tell her that too.
Me never tap yourself yet to me no bank teller, you know. Come in do girls, so you have to go bank teller for.
Alright, yo. I like you from what you have between us. So,
No, you don't move like
yeah,
that.
check on me yard. Alright.
So make I do get yard, have to check you.
Yeah, only place love make. Which one you see love make? Love don't make a bush. You call that bushy love. We're not in a bushy love business. That's one of the quickest thing where you just go in a bush and just want to back shot and that's it.
So suppose that me the what? Suppose me never go your yard. Me not even know if you have a woman.
Who? Me? I don't have woman. I do not have woman at all. So I don't know what you're talking about. What you're talking about? Tell me, what you're talking about?
And like you always full of girl.
No.
All if you know, all if you and the woman them not there. You just take a one and can move.
No, we cut off that now. We just
You see you say something. You see what me a talk about? You see you cut off it. That means say you that do it.
Let me explain myself now. When we say cut off it, I mean like I'm retire now. Me not deal with them things, they're boy business. Me a man. Me respect you. Me like say a lot of woman, yes? But me not have sex with them. Me not do them something there.
But man always lie still. You know for just. Hey.
How man lie?
Man always lie.
No.
So you will have your woman yeah. Some man no business no.
No.
They have their woman.
I just
And they still was so fresh front.
Alright, between me I just my ex-girl mother send down my daughter come up for the holiday. But me not think want to keep her because she can yam and she can cook. Yeah, she ring me this morning.
Then your mother problem. I not teach him for cook.
Food. Then she come check me back in the evening, yeah. I over the minutes I come from her and I cuss her. She come ring me again. And when we go back to see the first thing when I met this man, she have an oat porridge and it on juice. Look into that.
What? I first me know about oat juice. What?
Liquid, come like a water.
Suppose also she know if you make it.
No,
Or also your mother teach him.
14-year-old to know how to cook.
But suppose that's what mother teach her. What you want her to do?
At what age you cook?
What age? Me I cook from 8.
When you cook rice and peas?
How me cook rice and peas? You have to cook your peas first. Right. Maybe you have to pressure because some peas take long to cook.
Yeah.
Right. You know, season it up.
With what?
You have to know with what? Coconut milk, scallion, thyme, little butter. Maybe oil if you don't have no butter. Make that boil little. When you done boil, you wash the rice and put it in. And make it cook until it's perfect. But you have to taste the rice because sometimes the rice not cook good.
Congratulations, you passed it. You can't it today. Oh yeah, little today, yeah?
Alright. Anyways, that's supposed to done.
You must be mad.
Yes. Finally get him. Shatter Jesus. I will shatter.
Which shot are you talk?
No one shatter in our neighborhood. What do you mean?
What shot are you about which we talk about my ideas like that so?
Why you don't stop in front of me, a matter of fact?
That's a she man. So we they call up my man name for Mama Ray.
Yo man, first of all, that man never tell me say have a woman.
Well,
Can
you
we
never tell
question
me
him
say,
first?
you question him first, me question him before you marry become time, so me I come cooking Sunday dinner. So that means I'm a pass. So it's my man telling you for back off.
Listen, he done ask me that question there already. Ask me how to prepare it. And me tell him. And he say me pass.
Well, he
Simple
said me
means
pass too.
that at who? Simple means we have the chance already.
You don't have no chance.
Oh wow.
Me head.
Hey, me not like how you circle me now. Awa.
I'm gonna leave shut all alone.
Let me ask you a question. You think how you react me supposed to be afraid of you?
Hold me. Hold me. Cause me not feel like a girl. Hold me. Hey girl, you know we are around with. Hold me.
Off and cap
Girl, you try know we are around with it and take me my name out of your mouth.
Listen.
Don't kill
Me not go fight with you now. Me will live to fight the next day. So
Hey.
here what?
Hey.
Me come go about my business. Cause you not
again.
have much sense.
No, you saw me feel like you're a jackass.
Too idiot.
Should have let me go.
So if I can't fight, we're up in a girl so far.
Come on, you can't bother with you.
Ocha, where you drone yourself?
Oh, go on.
The dog for you come from where you drone yourself?
Hold on, give me a second there. Yes, Soup. I tell you already, you know. Me not send vice note. And them they sit there, they leak down vice cartel and we can get locked up. Yes. Alright, let's tell the MPs if we send it off. It won't win September 3, I want to you. Yeah man, shower. Alright, no problem. Yes sir. Alright, Soup. Yes sir, go on.
So people puff scribbling.
See ya. Alright, Soup. And then I just see and I say a bunch scribbling, sir.
Listen me, me give you a chance in my life and I insult you, I shall insult
No,
you.
me not insulting me just
Mine, you know. Me not,
First of
me
all,
not left it.
I'm not afraid of gun. I'm not afraid of them something there. So if a friend you try to friend me, that will never work.
Look, me not left them enough. So mine.
Like I said, that not shift me.
Oh, you're not afraid?
It's like you're not seeing.
You're not afraid?
Girl, I'm tired, just see.
Hallelujah. What go on?
But they are normally not my yard, me I come go, but that's
Girl, I be a shut a fire on them place as me for you.
let me tap right.
Oh, yeah, yes.
What you do yourself?
What you do yourself with that?
We you do yourself with this self-front, girl. We you do yourself with her.
No matter, I'm never tell her who sell front or sign a girl.
We you do yourself with them a lower class girl. You don't see the pan her. What you do with them the girl, yeah? A bad girl like me, I want in your life. One of a boss gun.
Riri,
If I have a pronounce.
Riri, let me ask you a question. We did get a full relationship.
Yeah, remember she did come here.
Your name Riri? Fuck
I'm
out.
his sister.
I don't care. Your name Riri.
Pussy girl for me.
Wow. Me not do cussing in action, me do.
Relax. You know what me I say now? It's when you see me I do business, that's our business me I do. So me I translate business right here, so you know, come up in your big old helmet. Me not know, in the sun hat, what you do in a helmet?
Run up here.
How much duppy they run? God know how much duppy they run.
A gunshot me I run from.
Gunshot? So what about the body?
So you make you want cause she want
Cause a headshot alone ain't like give one of them place. A headshot they love give.
You could get it for yourself.
So what you do yourself?
What you are do yourself? I mean yard me I go.
You never text her and tell her so she come here, sir?
Text her until I go down my yard, me and the Empress say your reason.
Oh, you're here now. So you just
text
is
her
a...
and tell her if you go down here.
Yeah, the girl went
She a go down, she a go down
Go do what?
She a go down
Go do what?
Sit down, you can't do.
Shut up. Who I talk to you? I one man there, so. Me not deal with the man, you know. I kill them.
Give me
Listen
a one
me
I
now.
want it to.
I want it. Hey, I will back. Hey,
Listen what me I say.
me.
I send her down a yard to clean up
So
the
I
house.
can always have
wow.
a thing.
Yeah, idiot. Me can't run, you know.
Oh, wow. Hey.
I shot me one shot this a girl, you
Watch
know.
what you do.
That you pick up.
Let me feel it.
Relax.
Watch what you do, yeah? Watch what you do. Come on,
Girl, I
shed
know
no
something
blood.
I like you.
Me first never like you. Me never tell us me a big likes.
Me not like
Me look
you.
like somebody with a big likes.
Me a wait for you. Stay far from me, man, girl.
No,
Come on.
man. You know what say? You need to talk to them little. Hey, me don't know if it class them as you
See
know.
me no fight woman.
Hey, me no fight. Woman need a kill them.
Africa me come from.
I don't care where you want to come from.
Yes.
Talk to your people them.
If I say I want 5 women in a bed, that no want.
Oh, exclude me cause me and no girl not rub up with no man.
No, but I tell you, say I don't have them. You are the only one. So when you relax yourself, them are just.
Only one I
She a do.
go do whatsoever.
She a go wash up. No man, she a wash up the plate and cook for me that. I'm me that man.
Oh wow.
You don't believe me?
Me if you believe that. Cause you think me born big.
You go down there, go see no woman clothes down there, find down there.
Me say if me look like my born big. My born look like you, yeah.
I'm a maid. I'm a daughter. I take care of warm to you.
You're maid. I that with uno man. All when you not grind woman them. Oh, I'm a sister. Oh, I'm a cousin. Oh, I'm a maid. Oh, she a work for me. Don't play with me.
She not trust me.
How the hell me fi trust after when me just see what go on yourself? Hey, my trust issues they're very low.
If I didn't know, I would have hug her up.
Oh wow.
Right? I would have hug her up. I would have squeezed up her bumper. I would have.
In a hand no bumper, sir.
You're right.
Exactly. Where you go squeeze him back?
True. The helmet on the head, but yeah, sometimes you have to just listen. To how me love you, me clap to out of the show, yes, how me love you. I love me love you. You hear me say, I love me love you.
That not prove love.
Of course.
That doesn't prove love, sir. It's like you don't know what is love.
When
Love
me
a
buy
one big round something so when I put it down, roll it right now. This I love a roll gone down the hill. You know how far that gone? That's supposed to pass all the yard.
Still don't trust me.
You ask the question there, you tell you already. What do you mean? It's like it I go through this years and I come back out to the next one.
So you feel like it from me start talk to me about that woman?
When me see you, so yes. What else me if you say I am a woman?
Look, I don't even know if she know if you wash her front.
But you want her to cook, that makes sense. Hey!
Cook for who?
And that you just said, you say that to take me for.
Me say she a go wash for me daughter and clean up. I never tell her say him a cook for I done no eat for a little pitney. When me a did a little
so a little
thing
pitney, you know say a little pitney. Why?
Him big enough.
Really tell you know what me a conga me had?
Just check me now.
Me not check you now. Me not check you. Make your girl check you.
Check me now night, yeah?
Make your girl check you. Right.
Hello.
I hope this company take you the van now.
You can run? Oh.
So girl, how you know say I saw you live?
See there.
You not even knock your door.
I say man live. Go on to him man and talk more.
Hi.
What's up?
Me there here. Make you want to too fun.
Right, you know, same time how to play is hot. So,
Me get coming at the middle. You're not easy.
Titi,
Oh, she go up there so.
what Bobby?
Bobby, you never on the road.
How Bobby love the road so much?
So who this are?
I don't say that. Me don't even know. Me don't even remember a long time that, yeah.
Oh, so what now?
Then they are easy back to that stroke. I mean, you know, but me don't know all of me.
Oh.
But everywhere you go, you bring this again.
Tibi, we tap shutter.
Go on out the door, me a talk.
What you want to know about top shutter? You like top shutter? You can't
Go on out the
top
door.
shutter there with my friend, you know.
What now?
5 years when I just lay down the last scroll on the media and I think about you know. But I'm glad you pull up still.
Oh.
I'm glad you pull up, man. Cause long to see, you know.
Oh, so you know that woman though.
Don't forget all that, man.
Make sure, cause me talk run, me not run turn the joke, cause me lick a girl in the face.
After me not ring, but you know have none flicking in the face, cause you and me have.
Oh, make sure. Anyways, me I go away.
Yeah, good.
Yes, cause you know.
So when me I see again.
Me don't know.
So I like how you rush, but you just come here.
Alright.
You would have stayed with me for half an hour or
So long?
stay with me, where your friend is? Send home my friend.
Me send her home.
So stay with me for
Alright.
Good.
Glad you come here up on the road. What listen? You know what I say? Do not left your yard again and come back on the road and tell me boy, you're hungry and this and that. Don't try look for me.
Okay.
Stop come on the road. I don't like it. Do not come back on the road again. What I said?
Do not come back on the road again.
Alright,
You don't
warning.
like it. Alright.
Warning and make sure you don't come back on the road, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah.
Case, this one hide it. Alright. This one hide it.
What happened?
All good.
Yeah.
You good?
Mm-mm.
Come to you.
More money. Me hungry.
Well, me not no money I know, you know, because boss not give me no money yet. Yeah,
I'm
check out
trying
the
to me
hand
and
for.
Nicholas scratch me. More
Put on your
money.
hand, man. Boss not give me no money, so I don't really have no money.
See now the money in your pocket?
Me have to wait for my boss to get paid. If
Where
you
they
work,
aside though?
me I chill out and wait for and see if you that come, but you not come here now, so me really have no money now. So you have to just wait. When you get money, you will get it. You
You
have to
can't
check
tell us
me.
something?
Wow.
That me left over yard.
Oh, child that can't stay. Anyways, where your friend there?
Oh, me left him with Tibby.
You left him over?
Richards, yeah.
Oh, my
What
friend
happened?
that, you know. No, me just have to check for my friend, because I don't
So
have to check.
where is for?
No, me have to just adjust the signal or something.
Huh?
But anyways, when me get the food, make you know, me not really get no money like that. Me not have no money, you don't have to check. You don't have to check. Me not lie to you, me not no
Come
money.
on, go over now, so if you boss call it.
You know, so true, that's a good idea.
Come on.
Either way, kind of my heart.
By the way, go on up.
Eh?
Can't not gonna do that for he. Go on up, Miss Funko.
Alright, me I go.
Zoe or Joey or some E. Come here. What your name again? Oh, you know say some E. Anyways, you eat half the food.
Yeah, me know.
You sure eat half the food? Can't hello me can't but if you waste my time I cook out it a waste, you know.
You're not wasting.
Oh wow. And sometimes you that in a nanny.
That's the problem. You know me eat it.
Anyways, your father. When me realize you're that, you know, even though I'm not supposed to feel discuss with you, because you're a little pitney, you had it in a yard. As far as me see my whore. Anyways,
Hello. Don't call me father no whore because I all the girl me see coming at this long while.
you see what you don't know? All of that you. But anyways, me I go back and forth, kawa. Me I go sit down as no furniture. Stop, shut up! Stop, shut up! Hello! Oi! Turn on your damn mouth in my damn place. Me not just pass out the road where you do yourself. Me attack? No, myself. Bitch, excuse yourself. What up, shatter? In the ear? Where just call me?
You know, you're good.
Maga cranny brown looking.
You know, you're good.
Me say, bitch, defend that.
Bitch, me say defend the girl. Defend it. Defend it. Defend it now. Wait up, shatter. That me combo.
Ask me nothing.
And you give me tough chat.
Yeah, me get tough chat because you can't do nothing about it.
Yeah, give me tough chat. Fantastic.
All you have is this.
Mouth? No, I try to lick me not lick you.
Me
Anyways,
not do licking.
no combo you. Wait up, shatter. He's not here. So when there? I don't know. Who me ask me listen about it, but you alone me see. So when there? I don't know. So
Alright, move. Hey! Where you go?
Hey girl, man, what you doing now?
Me not even running now.
Hey girl, you know me who girl?
Hey, come, go on anyways.
I go on here.
You see, say really why you get this? How for me man pick up them? No, Jesus, Father God. If you're not busy, take a case and give me the pillow. Me not say nothing. Anyways, me I come go on the road. If your daddy come tell him something on the road.
Hello, you know, let me tell you something.
What do you know?
You see them mad girl we have over here, you come mad pop down daddy. Where even
Bad
daddy in?
Gary.
No, if a bad girl read more than this also. The other one look like same born when my great granny did get birth.
Amanda that she cool
Me
man. She
flat height, you know? I take up a boom box and nearly flat height, you know?
Sure.
I just come and see one other one over there and the other one say, no, love him. Get off the wall me too. Kill me, nearly kill that.
One woman I want pick me over my yard. So
he pick me that talk. A woman that?
I'm a daughter that.
A woman that?
Me never say woman, me say.
That? I saw you make a woman just see the boy and batty and show so. Seriously?
I saw me girl and look hot.
Anyway, where me come?
Where you want to do?
Me hungry now. Listen, me find out you not give me money piece of food.
No, we can't pay me until then clear the package. Unless then clear the package, that the time we can pay them. We can't have my jug sit down pan whole.
So you're down there a feed the local scarecrow and me hungry. Me and your friend,
and your man to make sure it's in job done.
Give him the money.
In job not done. I'm gonna get paid.
Pay him half right, me hungry.
No, you can't.
Me want sitting because me hungry.
The only money we have right now is to go buy a front.
Buy front?
Yes, that's the only money we have.
Come back here, so.
What?
Can't buy mine because me hungry. Money up front.
Yourself?
No, I'm not selling it, I'm hungry.
Alright, go on in the bush.
Come then.
Go on, in the bush. And where I go walk yesterday, you think I call you want to bite the two days, I'm a bad man, you know. I tell you that. Go on.
What, no?
Ladies before gentlemen, if you're dead, you're dead before me. Go on. Yeah, man, go on, man. Go on.
Wow.
Them are something my friend I enjoy, you know. I can't believe it. Woo!
Me hot, bomba. Me hot.
Oh, God. So,
money in the hand now. Money in the hand.
how much more you?
50,000.
For what? And a goal?
50,000 for the helicopter. She can get helicopter and a bush within it to me cut down the wall of the tree them. 50 grand.
Mama, front of a bridge at 2 grand up.
Oh, well, I don't know front this. Give me the money.
You can buy 2 Popeyes.
Me not hungry.
No,
me hungry. But me not so hungry. Give me 50 grand.
Give what me have right now.
Helicopter. Look at the tree let me cut down.
I know that. Take your ear now. Then I go see how water walk got punky belly. Take your ear.
Why you left your yard for?
Me say take. I'm a traffic. Where you do your with me, man?
Hey, girl, where do you come from the yard, you know?
Where you come?
Hey, girl, move. Move.
No, listen.
You bad, girl, you bad?
Relax.
Make it, leave me. Talk.
Baby, listen up.
Leave me bad.
Listen up.
Leave me bad, leave me.
See rain here. Go on in here. Rain. Left you fear another day.
You me the money.
No, listen.
You lick your head. How you take me for? I idiot to take me for.
Hey, girl, move.
Hey.
See me. Relax, man.
What you do over there, so with girl?
No.
What you do over there, so with girl?
Listen up, between me, you know. A wee, she said she go wee. I didn't call me, say, I want 40 leg run up.
Oh!
I'm going to go over there. I'm going to come to. You want to hear me?
I idiot to take me for.
Listen up.
You think to your higher gun, me afraid of you?
You
forgot to me about who them come from?
But you don't understand. Listen up.
I saw you will make woman. Take me for idiot, you know.
No, man.
Yeah, you will make woman look for me like a clown, you know.
Me say I want 40 leg rushy girl over there.
Oh, wow. I had 40 leg rush her.
You don't believe me?
I get what you take me for.
I come here.
You ever get a big stone in your face? You want to get one right now?
Man, people here you talk
you want to get one right now?
No.
You want to make you whole neighborhood in my mouth?
No.
You can't believe that old skettle there go.
I'm a virgin woman, what would I want there with him? We only tell us.
This is the last straw. Me now go sit down in your yard, wash, cook and clean, and then you know what? You can go collect all of the women them you want. I'm done.
You don't believe me?
And best believe you see that girl there? Anywhere me buck him, me go floor him.
Why?
See all that girl there? I want to book her.
Oh, that did nice.
Hey, girl! Let him catch you. You disrespect. Get up! When me say up, you do get up. Oh, wow. You disrespect me. You come in my place, come disrespect me. Your sister juke off my face. You let me
I
alone.
never fault.
What you mean?
Ashley, so me fi do it to you.
Me I can't find you over bush with my man. What you mean you
No,
man?
no. A rape.
What you
A
mean?
grape.
Hey, man, the car don't no grip, come on, man. I know you're gonna. Hey, girl. Come here, girl. Come here. Come here. Hey, girl. If you really about me kill you, you know me how? You shot, girl. You know me how? You, girl. Girl. Oh, yeah, that tried you. How me get tried? Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, you tired, you tired. What you mean you're tired? Kill me now. Girl, hey, get up. Why? Come, get up. Take me up now. Miss, take you up. Oh, you lick your... Hey, you lick your head. Run away. Wait. Let me see if you do. Girl, move. Girl. Let me see if you do. Move. Me no want to kill you now. No, you can't do it. You can't do it. Wait. You can't kill me. Come here, take your man again. What you just say, girl? What you just say?
How that?
Bob. Yeah, deal with
I
Bob.
text her down. Come on to the house now. Why you pray?
Yeah, man, you good?
Me active, man. Where the van?
You don't see where me dey pan? Na my house.
Me know say in your house. Say now come out the door. Normally you out the door, dog.
Oh.
Oh.
Where's your go on now?
And there, bro, I check my phone, check it out, cause one bag of thing I go on better.
Where do I?
I know, my fast.
First, how?
You know that, I know cash, brother, we have to dip on the road and try see if we can hunt a little thing.
And I mean, I come tell that.
Me have to come revisit here, brother. How much time I come revisit here
I
and
come
get...
there.
How?
So bad girl really in there, no?
I lie.
Man, I ask if I like.
You see a clippy feather?
Me no must click for that. Yo,
That is it, boy.
6 rounds.
Lie, I tell. Man, lie, man.
6 rounds. Me have him done nearly done pan.
6 rounds.
6 rounds.
You were so weak, dog.
Bro.
But
no.
are you do your thing, so I don't want to know about that.
Top
Are you
door,
do your
bro.
thing, but
Top
go and
door,
do your thing.
bro. Soon come here, baby.
Baby are up already.
Look, so bro, you don't know your thing.
I'm proud of you still. You see me,
So you're most proud of me, I go 6 rounds.
Yeah, man, I believe you. So you depend, bro. You know, you can give me a little thing, dog.
Alright, I'll go on 6 rounds and come back. Check back later.
I say you're tough, dog. Alright, go on do your thing still.
Alright.
Make sure you know do your thing.
Yeah,
You have on the rubber.
Yeah, bro.
Alright. Where I come from? Where I come from?
Up the road.
I do go do.
Check one friend.
Which friend? Which friend? You are the today?
No, one friend. What problem?
No, but no, you are the today. My girl. Which friend I got check? Which friend I got check?
Where you talk about?
Come here, son.
Look how you come near me and me
Come
hard.
here, son, mama. Come here, so. Oh, you're back. Bush up, so. You're back, bush up.
Me and the girl ain't up fight.
Which girl?
One girl, one ugly girl.
Yeah, one ugly girl.
So you roll up and sleep.
Where I come from, mama? So played me now.
Me tell you, say me are
Me say, where are you coming from?
up on my friend.
So why you bush up, so?
So me tell you,
So
say the girl fight.
Yeah, your friend
We
fight.
are play roly-poly.
Come guy here.
So now that me did the way top for. Shutters! What shutters there? Who you? Me a shutters woman. Who you? You like I must be maid. Daddy!
How are you?
Somebody out here to you. Aye.
Nothing
Nothing now.
So since you don't want to come look for me now.
No, you tell me to come to your yard. But you did have to come to my yard first.
Yeah, you
You did have to go bathe and something.
Yeah, you still there? Come here. Come here. Why you go check with my brother? They can give you money I don't know how you get it. Just tell if you just get money. Me short for money. Yeah? Tell the police come for me and I need to get bail and stuff. You will get faster, so. When you ask you how much, they say 100,000. When they say 100,000, you give maybe 50 or 60. If you tell him 50, he might give you less. I say, he's stingy with money and I like the full money. Just tell him 100,000. Anyway. Go in the man.
Come on.
Something now. Can't be it take so long to come down now, you know, baby.
Not take long.
Man, go on up in the house. Go in a paradise.
Yeah.
Who you said there?
So we call Daddy.
Aye. Come
back.
Oh, you come back. Right on time, my daughter. Go on up, me look at ching ching. Boy, I tell you, say, girl, your body good, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Your body good.
No, me don't mean like that.
Body
No.
good.
No.
What do you mean our body good?
Oh, the body lotion. The body.
Me tell us say that you try to take me final.
No, you know, they have body works. We call it body bath and works.
Hey,
Yeah.
body back on.
So me say body bath and works. It's good.
That body
So.
bath and works.
Yeah.
No.
Shut up, me I talk to you.
And my mom.
Zip
Oh,
your
it's
damn mouth.
Zip. Oh. If you're the good,
So, let me
your
ask you a
man only
question.
come to me, mama.
You can chat so.
Oh,
You're not good.
so
You're not ready
yeah,
yet.
take it too, sister. I still want coming after me whole. How where you take me for?
You see me, I take her sister.
Where you take me for?
Idiot.
You
Shit.
take your idiot too, cause
You're
him a ride your sister too.
But I don't care.
Oh wow.
Sister, nothing wrong.
I did this again. Because you tell me say that sharp magic kind of looking.
Look on you.
Are you? Come here.
Girl, let me go. Girl, let me go.
Hey.
All right.
Come here. Are you go call her?
How do you forget so? Maybe it's about that, so I come in. So I join him and walk in with him.
You're sure, Anna, you go
So
call her?
if she can, what you can do her?
Mama, tone down your voice.
Bitch, shut up. I'm not chat to you.
That's a girl.
When you're
That's a girl.
talking.
That's
Come out of my feet.
Hey, girl. Hey, girl. How we are ramp with? Ramp with me. Ramp with
Hey,
me.
me stabbing your neck with this here.
Ramp with me now. Me flatter your
Me
face with
stabbing
this.
your neck with this here.
Flatter your face with this.
That's where you're
You see, you know.
I
You
did
are
not
next
do.
one.
I did not
What
do
me tell us over there?
I did.
After me beat the next girl, you can't next girl in the house.
And me want you beat.
Bitch, me not talk to you now. Me not talk to you.
Warren girl.
Give me your address.
What's that Warren cranny body girl?
After me bust up the next girl face, so can next one in the house.
After me face,
After me I wash cook and clean. Hello, oi, are you me a talk to?
the man don't
you
want
me
you. They don't see.
Stop saying F out of your mouth. Stop saying it.
Hold on. Daddy, how much gonna happen?
Huh?
How much gonna happen?
Let me buy how much you got there for me. What kind of nonsense you ask me? There must one there for me. What want you?
Hold this. Me don't know if I am.
Girl, run.
Give me this.
Me bust a shot in your face here. Listen, go in. Hello, back up.
Oh, you know.
Go in. In. What do you see if you do? Move. In.
Zoe, what going? You know what? I said, girl, me dey on a vacation, you know, and me dey enjoy. Me said, all of a sudden, you know, one man say go check for your father. Can put in location on the phone. It's every minute in the all over the place. Cause me say me name GPS, you know, and me like how the Google line move shaky. Google it all over the place. So me come back. I'm saying ever the yard. So me come back to see Wagwan. So I cut it short. You know, say next month if you come back, but me no bother come next month. Me come and now. To see Wagwan I place. When there? Long time I not see me baby, eh? Trouble did there. Can I trouble? Eh? Can I trouble? Eh? Let's talk about trouble today. Nobody if you tell you this, you know. But you in the house with woman. I like you tell. Any girl in have to come out now. And who that?
Have you heard? We asked you that, you know.
Who in the come out now?
Same girl come here again.
Same girl. Hello, who you?
Who you?
Who you be?
Who you be?
Hello. Hello, what is? I want this here. I want one. I want to take place. You're speechless. Me raise you the all over the place. Come here, track here now. I the all over the place.
No,
It's our next girl.
Hey.
Bring up there, sir.
We are talking about.
Let me shut my mouth.
Relax.
Relax.
Who this?
I'm your house help, baby. Yeah?
Hey! Put angle. Why you talking?
I'm
Where
put
mean
angle
house
on
help?
it. I'm put angle on it. I'm a babysitter.
Babysitter me. Hey!
I want to say something right
Where
now.
your babysitter?
Huh?
Where your babysitter?
Hello. Before me get grimy, before me get mad, escort it out of the yard, please. Who she?
Escort you.
As in move it out. I'm waiting at who she be. Cause she just thump on my doorway like that. She don't much on my place. Thump on my doorway.
Move no.
How could this a girl here? So you must sit here really give me bun with?
Bun?
You couldn't take up one big fat brownie or something.
No, baby, I would never give you a bun with that. You mad? I don't date something like that. That is my
cheese.
My daughter. Tell her. Tell her.
I'm confused. Who she?
Huh?
My
Tell
girl
her.
come place now.
Yeah.
Move.
Tell her I say I'm a babysitter.
My girl come out of my place.
Tell her.
She been staying here and cooking.
Right. Yes. You see, I always help.
Move the girl now. Move the girl. The girl upset my stomach. Make she move.
Move me now.
Jesus Christ.
Move me now.
Hold on this day. Cause it's a girl I don't know about me. You know. Hey girl, what you do? What you do?
Lord, I'm glad.
Yeah, who you be, girl?
See there?
Who you think you be? Who you think you be?
Hold on.
Who you think you be?
Hold on, let me show you off the gun.
No, don't show me one gun. Don't show me off the one gun. Me Anna shake.
Listen.
Mine they put two in the head in a girl. How you have no? Come up, sir. Come up here, sir. Come up here, sir, girl. Come up here, sir. Come over here.
I look like you have
Come over here.
Come touch me.
Hello.
Touch me.
We a cup.
Hey!
We a cup. What's she? Oh, she gone. Come up here, sir.
Relax.
What happened to you?
Relax.
Did I start jump too much?
No.
It a move too fast.
It move. It did dead all along. It did dead all along.
You can't come in my house and take up room off of me.
Tell you.
How are you did there? How are you, sir?
Baby, listen, man. I would never give a bone with something like that. You mad? I don't do those stuff.
You know, Stan, next month me if you come here, you know. But when I go on the track, I realize you're all over the place and you start turn a yard more often.
No,
so many want to know what they keep you, yeah.
On the phone stay here. Sometimes my daughter say want to watch something funny because the phone never dead. So I leave it here.
Alright.
Right? Right?
Right.
Good. You see?
See next time.
I would
You
never.
make me come back and me and I'm missing a girl in there, so.
I would never do that.
Carry my bag. Only I carry me.
I'm a loyal man.
One my bag and carry me and going for my bus up head out here.
So what I go? No money no run.
You take on no money no run.
Come and put on that here.
No. Go on, me put it on myself. Go on, me no idiot. Go on in. Go on in.
Come put on this here, stepmother. Unite.
Go on in your house.
I'll probably would never.
No.
Now check my boy. I check TV which is
come on. Hold on for me hand. Make them know say your woman come back. Hold on for me hand.
Just relax, man. Me no want you. Me no want. You make me look soft around them. Nobody with that, man. You make them say me.
Your phone. Yes, give me my phone. Where your phone there?
Huh?
Where your phone there?
Lassie. Me have to go buy a new one.
So where you go now?
Huh?
Where you go now? No.
No?
Mm-hmm.
Shit on.
So go on in. Yes, man. Come here. I wonder where you go left me. Go on in our house. Yeah.
How much bullets in there?
You know what did we not use it from when? Hey, how are you trying to do?
Hey, mama. Me not time for you, know. You see this same.
Man, I started trying using a game. Boss head, you know.
Listen, me not time for that. Me not have time for that man there again. The man right through, man, cause peek me out of the place. Right now, me sorry me attack you, you know.
Yes,
Me
and that I forget. Yeah, they attack me, but man, as me if you go collect a little money, you make it, man.
You? Because me they think I'm my man. Me never know say the community man.
Yeah, man, so you're not bad again. You never throw the girl on the ground. I make a strength for. As me be want a little food, they make me have to run.
If you're looking
Yeah, now come, mama. You now come.
A bad girl that.
Oh, so many things bad. You're not bad again.
Hey, be box you down
Box
right now.
I get you should have strength for. Me, you want to beat over man?
After me, you know.
And me, do you want to beat over them? That man?
Yeah.
So
you
man
think
do?
I'm my man?
So you remember say me turn up here, sir? And that to make you say?
Oh, Ross.
Me not
did your man?
understand. You forgot say your man turn up here, sir? Or me and your man again? Which one?
Me think of your brother.
No,
No.
No make that stop. No continue to talk, man. No make that stop, no.
So where you say? You
Finish the
girl back later?
conversation.
You still there, sir, chatting
Yeah,
afraid.
they see we are finish.
Hey!
Still attack.
You're brave. You tell me in front of your man I talk about
Which
you.
man do not talk about?
Hey, sir, now walk up to me too close.
No,
now.
me just want to know which man
what
not
you
talk
mean?
about. Come here and just talk about. Man, me just want to know what they want.
One man that me used to take.
She used to take it too.
Can't ask me that.
Ask she.
All right, we not already say enough, so thank you very much.
Yes. I'm out of here.
Me ask you a question. How that make you more really make you say? Which man you not chat about? You think that hot you? You sure? You think that hot you? Don't play with me out. To you, man.
Oh. Oi! Where you come from?
Run this so.
Hey, where you away?
Hold on the front. Where you come from?
Where I run from?
Where you come from?
Where the run I come from? So.
I'm a man. We need a play fight. Where you come from?
I shut as my go girl.
And what?
Because them say Manda. I shut as that business.
But I don't know why you tell me. So you'll beat her? Me just see that you tell me you beat for your box on girl.
A gunshot she fire for me.
I mama. Me tell you something. You don't know so look why me hot. There's a ton of people man a talk. Me see man that blaze a come up. Me say when me take up a stone, come me think I me get a attack. That's where mama
Where you hot for you for? You take him man?
Me? Me? No, you're jealous of my man. So you see when me talk, mama, let me talk. You see when me just one off a mama, and mama say, Anna, you me have time for a girl. Me shock. Mama, I go make me know say. One next girl come. Overshot her. One me and one say a long time he did that pull up gun pan her. Mama say ma fi blaze out her yard and left him man.
So, and that me ask you say, why Manda would want to lick you? And yeah, she's not
Manda for me man, me a Manda.
that's all lie. Manda do not want a man. How Manda for want a man and Manda have a Manda shatters there.
Shatters are getting born.
You know
The
say?
girl, she named Amanda. Say she.
You know what business?
I'm hungry. Give me one now.
Come go be like.
Who you carry me back so go do? I mean I want the girl run down.
Come go for here, so I want to lie.
Yes, sir. Oh my God, what a stress. You know,
Stop shatter. Go on.
wait a minute, what you follow me up for? My mad man coming up. My mad man come. So you stop follow me up.
I don't care.
A bad girl that.
Let me talk to you, turn around.
Listen me say a bad girl that.
And me I say, more want money.
Listen me. I have to deal with the money when me have instead of deal with when me I deal with. You don't tell me where you want money. Every day you come on and check out and you can't go look work.
Me want money.
Look work.
You not give me money.
I want to you, man. Look work.
You know say anybody enter down there so have to pay?
Shh. Relax now. Relax.
No shame me and go. Anybody enter here so got to pay. Listen me. Dirty girl, you never know say. Really? Everybody here they run wrong with Me can talk? Okay. So you want to with a friend for your forehead? Dirty dog.
Me never see
You
it.
want Manda. You want this a girl. Who you don't want? You don't want.
No, don't say that.
You want TB and you want him. Who
Come
else
in,
you
me
want?
and I never lay down. I don't lay
At
down with
least me and
mileage.
TB never laid down.
Allah, you tell remember what they make go left your yard, you know.
Yeah. But by the time I left there, he did get one phone call and he did have to go away.
Me we know cause me can ask Bob.
You know, go and ask Bob.
Right.
I thought what?
Me never lick.
And that
You
wouldn't
lick me.
You see?
I did not.
Yes.
Hey girl. Move. Move. You know me who girl?
Hey, girl, you know. Hey, girl. Hey, girl, come on. Hey, girl, you know me who? Dirty girl.
Hey girl.
Come for your family, so. Hey, girl. Yes. What would you put it for your
Hey girl, come here.
Jesus, please have mercy. You see, when me I say shh, you did that rubbish your mouth. Look at that, you see.
Girl. You know me who?
Yeah.
Girl.
Let me go.
This is me your friend. I'm gonna know me.
Yeah, let me go.
Tell them what you let them go. Girl, let me go. Come on, girl. Come on, know me. You know.
Yes.
Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Come on.
Let me go. Let me.
You know, go for.
Let me go.
Let me go for.
Let me go.
Rock it up.
Let me go.
Rock it. Me left all me go.
Dirty girl.
Dirty girl.
Me say.
Let me go.
Oh, me left me go.
You little girl.
Yeah, the
What me gonna? What the girl? Then what?
Let go. Jesus. Watch out, watch out.
Dirty girl. Me say. Let the man.
Watch out.
Me say.
Let the man. You feel like the man. Can you not let the man? Let the
Me
man.
say let the man. I feel me man. Dirty girl. I feel me. Me say I feel me.
Watch out, no. Watch out, no.
Come here.
No.
What is the problem? You gotta take me, man. Every man she wants. She not left none.
Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus.
Who's on the man? Eh? Who's on the man?
Feel me man.
I can't eat one
I'm
man.
gonna take you man. I'm gonna give you wicked this
Yeah,
helicopter.
Oh,
Me
God.
first take you
How
man.
are you game? Not here. Who know how to say it?
I ain't no good girl. You're done.
Who not go with the knife? I'm sure you suck him with dirty girl. This is not what you try to come right to the dirty knife. Let me ask you something. Come here, young lady.
Mister, where you come from?
Oh, Jesus.
So you can out your fight for man and the man don't know so not fight for you.
You know.
Call the man and make the man choose which one to own.
Call him and choose?
Yes.
Me. Talk to them.
Christ.
Talk to them, you know. I'm going to get a dog one time.
Where the man
move.
there? Where the man there?
You blind?
My
Me not
God.
blind.
Where the man there? You
My
not call the
God.
man. You not call the man.
Call him, man. Call him, man.
Tell the blind
Hey,
girl.
you want a phone call? Call him, man. Come, give me my phone.
I
Can
don't
you...
know.
Which time?
Girl, anything you do, you do it with them. No involve me.
You know, see how you that?
Oh, no problem now.
I second time this morning.
Jesus! Jesus!
Oh, you.
Move from side on me.
Oh, you, girl. Oh, you. Oh, you. No, me. Oh, you.
Look at your man give him.
Yeah, move for me. Hey,
Listen.
first me come here, me see girl in my place.
I don't...
No girl I fight for you on roadside.
Me?
Eh?
I don't famous.
You're blind, you see, you told them, see, you them a fight for.
What?
Because I'm mine. I so much money.
Control that.
Me tell you, say, me feel like say don't they start jumping up.
No.
Me feel like don't they jump.
No, you're not jumping, lay down. You're not jumping, lay down.
So how it a fly over the place with so much people at top?
I don't need my fight over.
Oh.
What's the imagination with the ten of us?
A better imagination, you know. A better imagination.
Trust me. Just relax. Relax, baby. Relax. Calm yourself. Easy with the bullet. Easy.
Alright. Beat me about that girl. One by one. Me a clear them out, yeah.
No, you don't do that.
Don't do what?
Me done at the era. I don't create problem. I don't murder people. I just delegate.
Me a woman at the area. Me murder people. Me no delegate like you. I delegate, you delegate, make woman parrot fight with you, fight over you.
You mention my name?
Hello, mama come and say B.
My name B?
B.
Are you she attack? You don't name B, but are you she attack?
No, man. Once you know say my name, you can't judge me. See, and that's where you gone wrong now. He never say Popeye, or he never say Shatter, or he never say J. He never say none of them. He say B. Am I a B? No. You ever call me B? No. What you call me? Tuggy Tug.
Ash part with it.
Eh?
Part with it.
Road.
Man, oh, you talk to me.
Oh.
Man, oh, you talk to me.
Boy, remember tell me I done a year. I can't make nobody know I'm soft to you.
Me I can't go up here. Me don't long talk, you know. Me I can't go up here go deal with some business. That business me I go deal with. What you do your son?
Oh, me I wait for the boys them.
The boys them.
To be riches and Bob.
Alright.
Yeah. Anyway, I tell you, me no want her, a bad woman that. Me no date her, me no have sex with her. I just links in my child look. My child look hype off of my name, you know? Right.
Alright.
Yes, baby, I would never do that. You alone. Right. That girl, you see that girl, you should have dead. Bullet should have reached you. You fool. I mean, I say, shh. The girl come. Shh. You did it. All right.
I'm supposed to have money from last night, you know.
Yeah, money for that.
Oh, $600.
I just use me last one.
When if I sitting there, this a text me. Me and my phone go pling. Sir.
What's good? This one I look like say 50 years to my
Girl. What?
So for the time I send the day Richie, you just come here, so?
Girl, you know I say I suffer everything come down already.
So glad me did sit down, coming in now I come no further. Me tired, bad. What happened?
You guys wait me for ask you to. You guys come Monday?
Me don't know, maybe not, because my mother don't really have no money and she gotta look one work. So if she get to work, me might come. If she not get him, I think me go come.
Girl, are your mother you sit down and depend on?
So who me fi depend on?
Yourself, work for yourself. You think for your
How me fi work for myself?
You can work for yourself.
You see China and Alba now, Pitney?
Girl, you know how we get take care of you. You see, girl, you well doing something. What?
The phone business. My mother don't have it.
I know your mother.
So I'm for the girl go catch man?
Yes.
Me no know the for them something.
Girl, you mean by you already you don't have to give busted, boy?
Alright. Me not take no man money if me know me don't want him. Cause me no want no man come murder me.
No one not there that girl. You just smile and you charm them with a smile and they say, alright, so girl, I pay 5,000 or 2,000.
Girl, that me I say.
Not a phone business.
Girl, the poverty go kill you.
You go fun and suffer.
You go suffer. Wait until hungry days start lick you. You go see.
Breadfruit the pantry, you know. Okay, the pantry, you know.
Go near me. Near breadfruit in the bed.
You can't believe that this one come out of my yard for.
Girl, advice if you do the right.
Me no want to do them something. You see, me alright. You go and go do the right. It's when you catch all kind of sickness and you want to go bar with your sickness them. I wouldn't reach too far. You go talk about hard life. I go lick me. Make hard life stay.
Girl,
let me tell you, I have a problem in my hard life.
Girl, you don't understand, you know. You don't understand the things, them.
What me to understand?
What my daughter for understand?
If she understand, she not understand the math.
She can't go depend on you all the time. So she can go look at work at China.
Me and my picnic good here. Oh no, go, you know, along the yard for go to.
Girl.
Stand up a roadside with tear up clothes and thing. You titty them out the door.
Where?
God, man. You know, no yard for
girl, we will see you.
Yeah.
Girl.
Later.
Me not tell you for a long time. Show me your company and I tell you who you are.
But mommy, me not really have no other friend alien. I forgot that.
You can't find no better friend than named Tinker Road.
I me not really know about that.
Me know about it. Huh? Me no want you mark with the same barrel like a them. You know see how them dress? Them name Stinker Road. Almost drove down the road. Me hear say him as old as him be. Eh? No, sir. Him and one of them, I don't want to call name because your mouth is not your own.
Then that's the end of it, tell me nothing, mommy. Because if I can't have evidence, it's not really necessary.
No, baby, me might seem like me nagging, but me don't want you to deal with them
long
people.
Story short, I get to work. I really want to go to school Monday.
Baby, you know, see me not get the work.
Tin mackerel today again.
Tin mackerel again.
So me when I call today and beg him 1 week lunch money. If I even 3 days a week.
That the drunkard. That the anyhow, night, morning, evening, whenever me phone that ever drunk. And if me asking for money for you, all me I gonna get is, oh, if you did ask me earlier, me would not have it, but me not have it right now. Me now no time to waste with him. Exaggerate. You think, sir, a joke me I make? Me no badmouth people behind them back for no reason, you know? I don't badmouth people behind them back for no reason. No, sir. Me I forgot try for me I forgot see if we can check mass. I don't know how me I gonna get the money because I want you to go to school.
Hello.
Hello, Popeye.
What?
Why am I there, boy? Me and your daughter there, and she need money for go to school. Things kind of tight. You can help her with a little week money here for lunch and thing.
So why you never call me earlier? Eh? Why you know you call me? Eh? Why you never call me earlier? You call me for Friday when you know it's a payday. Eh? You know what bills me have to pay?
So if me did phone you early, you don't have the money yet. That's why me phone you today.
Me secure the money. Me secure other things. We have other things to deal with. You know, I will tell you if you move out. Eh? Don't move up because of Susie. Me tell you something I don't want Susie. Susie was a one night.
So me can't take the argument. Me can't take the argument. You have it or you don't have it?
Me don't have no money right now.
All right. Later. Talk to your daughter. Phone your daughter later on for your phone. Me I forgot. Bye-bye.
All right.
See me tell you, me not chat bad behind him, but me just a talk facts, baby girl.
Tell me why you move out. Susie?
Me can't deal. You hear him? If it's for you and him dep on him foolishness, you can imagine what me had to put up with. Enough was just enough, man. You can't only ride the mule so long. Me now me can brought me back with him foolishness.
Hey, come we could go.
All right. Sure.
Me say me no like her mother, man.
Hey, man, every time about this happen.
Oh, and I did.
What you know, Toga?
There.
Say
I
no,
remember a thing, man.
Yo,
man.
But there, I'm waiting if you check me or you not check me. You just agree on the thing through,
Relax.
I put in a friend zone or something.
Man, I just say I'm safe now because you don't really have the money what me want. So go and save up a little money. But anyway,
no, we have one cherry, right button, nobody can pick it. So we are going to sit on her. Run and sexy and nice.
Let me tell you, say more run girl and sexy.
Also, what flat body girl will look at it.
That me I say.
No, man. You see, trust me, anytime you see that the one that, right now, if me did a man, me pick it too. For sure.
You know, give me people nobody don't want. That you don't want this.
Afraid.
Huh?
And afraid, she afraid. I know, like that.
Man. She don't really understand the ropes, but we are trying to get her there.
My God. I hold that by your neck.
I want beast in him.
Bees thing about you need to go to doctor because that Jesus Christ.
It did swell up, but me rub 3 bush pan and the job back done.
The
This
bees.
thing too?
No man, me never did it. I'm gonna go through them.
There's a hell of a sting in it.
A queen one them.
A butter bluesy. Yeah, butter bluesy too, you know.
Yeah, man, I beat you.
No, I'm a bees. I did bees. To hold sting.
Oh, come me look like me born yesterday. Me look like me born yesterday. You think you can turn me in a idiot? And that's why you don't want me because you have man. You have man and make love to you and sitting. And I give you a hickey. You get it and feel it.
The type of money me want right now.
No,
Me lady want her when she go to school, she want her 10 grand for a day and go bra for school. Give her so look $100.
Fido, where you want 10,000 if you go to school, Fido?
What do you mean?
What do you mean? You know this.
You know how 10,000 you come back.
That's why I work hard for get it.
You work hard. Me just clean out my teeth and they say, oh, you're so pretty and give me the money. You know, no time I don't know.
Right. So
if I then the mentality they have, trust me, you not reach you for where you want to reach. You know?
What do you mean?
Because you work hard feed.
Yeah, me work out the grass up.
You work out the grass up.
Show me how you pluck. You say you pluck here.
So me
plucky. Stand and plucky for real. A pluck
on.
Yeah.
You get where you look about.
Alright, big up your friend.
Link more than I did them, man.
Yeah, I go send a picture because you come like you don't believe.
I girl we are talking.
Can come over there, man? Over me yard, me have breadfruit and banana.
Yes, you love breadfruit. You see them chat about breadfruit.
You me attack.
We don't want a breadfruit.
Me hot girl.
And that's why your mother say you not eat no iron food. Dumpling and banana and yam and them sitting in the yam. No one burger every day.
Oi. Janice, we know you're tired and everything. But may I ask if you fry the mackerel, yeah?
I tell you the truth, I'm not going to fry. I'm tired. I'm tired of this life. I'm tired of mackerel. I'm tired of breadfruit. I'm tired of everything what you have to offer.
Life rough right you know, baby girl. We have to put we hand behind we make fashion.
Okay.
We know it rough. And you're tired of the mackerel. We're tired of the fish too. We're tired of the splashes too. But
where fish them, mommy?
Them yeah, mackerel.
I want some chicken. I want some fried.
I want chicken or lobster I want to. But we have to battle with what we have right now.
Well, I think if you put that pampers, I'd rather stay hungry. I swear to God. I mean, you have no, you know, no money.
You know, see when I talk about your father? If you can call him Papa. Me I go down there.
You know your father?
Because you see when you talk to him on the phone, you know I get nothing. But me might be lucky enough. And if me catch him and shame him out of street, that's how me might get little money for go to school. I mean, oh boy, things rough. Yeah? I just today, we try to get something tomorrow. Yeah, we try get something tomorrow. Tomorrow will be a better day. But make we eat this, bust the gas and give thanks. We must always give thanks. Because there's people out there who have not even this. So do me, I beg you. Put it on for me, fry it for me. Bread there in there, everything there in there but the salting. So all you have to do is the salting, yeah? All right. Tomorrow is a better day. Me I go try catch your dirty papa before him done the money. All right.
Just tired of this.
Oh God, man, every day I have the same problem. Pure stress, everybody just upon my case, Father God. Oh.
Bam.
You can't say morning. You can't say morning when you come here.
Go on, some man.
Listen me, man. Tell them more to stop sending down here because you're a rude little picnic.
Who road?
You're rude.
Anyways, I know that me come for you tell me boy you say me rude. Me come for you tell you say, mommy say if you give me the money.
That's all your mother.
Promise him now.
Listen to me. That's all your mother think about. Promise money. Your mother don't know what to do better.
No.
You know nothing good to do. Stop rubbing me down.
What you mean?
You're too rude, man. Don't do that, man. You're picking it.
What picking it?
You know,
You're a big girl.
16 is not big enough.
Me reach age of consent.
Listen to me.
Oh, so no change. No change. Eh? Me leave you for running down the young girl them. And you still a run down the young girl.
Yeah.
So this...
Anyways, daddy, give me the money, make me go on. Give me
Hi. Where you go with daddy? Where you go with daddy, little girl? Don't call my baby daddy. Your daddy. You and him are not nothing. Your mama skittle and you come the same way.
Control yourself.
Nobody check him out though. Check your words.
Control yourself because you don't see me and look nobody. You never come around and come see me and look nobody.
Me no know. Me blind. Me no see young girl rub you down. Alright.
You and him still there? What your business, Morty? You and him still there? Come out time and my mother they know no man. Go one side and I see him park up like a truck.
So, hold on. I saw you tell them deal with you. Okay. You leave prize and go to Janko no. And leave the good prize.
Are you left me, you know?
You know say.
Are you left me, you know?
Why me leave you? I'm gonna tolerate.
I tell you, your mother was a one night stand and you pack up and go. Somebody have to take him in. Go to her fully.
Okay. As she say, I know my business.
I said, give me money while mommy send me for man. Give me money, let me go on.
But before you give this skettle money for your other skettle, give me money first for we picnic. We picnic need for go to school. We picnic need for yam. She not have nothing for yam. Her mouth dry. I'll see her lip them turn white.
Why? Mother say, anyway, you don't give me no money, you know, get no kunash tonight.
Well, I don't know about that, but I don't say you have to go for your picnic or me go to court.
All right.
And Jamaica court, no nice.
All right, till I finish 10 grand off of that, yeah?
All right. Take care.
I'm not calling late, call later. She know the code. Oh, yeah, check.
So you still a buy pum over your picnic?
No, listen me now.
All right.
And I buy over my picnic. Me tell her, bring me picnic come and make it stay, make me send him go to school. If you cannot manage her, me can't mind picnic when me not see. Every day, you hide me from my picnic. My picnic can't even come down and call up for me.
I saw you walk and talk.
My picnic after they run me, so me know where my money I go. Next thing me go give you my money, you go buy clothes, shoes, slippers.
For your picnic.
For
we picnic.
I don't know.
Okay. Can you ever see your picnic naked? And I walk street naked because them not no clothes.
When me see what Bev do with him picnic pa, collect the money a foreign. Show a partner with the man money and not send him picnic go to school and use the partner money fly out with the man. Go to Panama.
Yeah.
Well, cock up a Rio Plaza.
Me a Charmian. Me no Bev, me a Charmian. You always a threaten this, you know. And me always a take you with joke.
But
you see one of them days, I go take you upon it.
Make me picnic come to me.
Alright.
For the money.
Alright.
Go back home. Send him come to me.
Me send her with her bag too.
No, me never say with that bag.
Oh, so you gonna buy her new things. Me gonna send her to you for reading.
No, not for good. Send her come collect the money. Lunch money, me give her first Monday morning money. You find Tuesday morning, me find Wednesday morning. And then you find Thursday morning.
So Monday morning when me send her to you, you go in her school uniform and everything, you go give her money.
Yes. You know, send him come today. Send him come Monday, make him tap ya. Me give me lunch money, then you respond to Tuesday. Me respond to Wednesday, you respond to Thursday, me respond to Friday.
You had such a big long gap. You might as well take the week. And you respond. Me send her no problem
you
with
have
that.
To at least send your picnic 2 days a week.
Hey,
sending 3
who
days a
been
week.
sending her the whole time of me?
You.
Take your turn now. I go for your daughter. Come Monday now go work because she don't love wake up. So here what, man, go for your daughter and make your daughter come.
No, me cannot take her now. Not now.
Oh gosh.
Not now. I'm a busy man. You're working.
You see when you breed me never ready then neither. But me still take her and deal with it.
Hello. You think I'm ready for Pitney?
That's why you leave her upon me one.
No, what you say? What you
That's
say?
why you leave her upon me one.
When you go to the hotel, you're ready for the pool. You well cock up in your bath suit. As you in the water, one like you're Joan. You think you're Gina, you know? One like you're Joan in the night and make me jump off in the water, mash up all me look phone them. Me jump off, dive in there, and they come in there and talk about, oh, you saved me. You look at Gina herself.
I drew me the why you look out to you one eye. The one eye did not please the whole way. Let me get what I want. Let me get my blessing.
Then bro, I'm cold. You can't hug me up. Yeah, because you know if me hug you up, I go turn on and slide in the little boy in there. You're wicked.
Wicked.
And then now you
one night pirate did done start squint for a long time before me put on my bathing suit. You think I'm blind? Me see you one night pirate.
Me carry you go to the hotel for you one night because me carry condom them. You make me jump off in the pool and go in. Raw dog. Few weeks after me see I call on my phone. Oh, me pregnant. If me did have money making on the belly, but God would have seen it today, have
and
a
if
blessing.
me did have sense, me would have picked up the other man that was looking me. At least him did have money.
So why you never take him?
Lord, that me ask every day.
You would have in a Benz.
That me ask every day. Are your one-eye pirate take up? So, are your response?
No, because you think me did have money, not true. One out of me yard.
Yeah, just send your picnic come with bag and all.
You go on out of me yard, yeah?
You dirty pooper man. I'm annoying bad. You alright? Wakey. You have to get yourself, line yourself up for go to your pooper yard.
For what? Go do what?
Me go down there to get some money. Cause me tired of mackerel too. Right? And me see a skettle friend down there. And I'll give her him card for draw 10,000. The little skinny one with the one naked out of street.
Oh, really?
And then give her a card. If he draw 10,000 out and I tell me foolishness, say me not go give you the money and use the money right.
So if me go get the money?
You go and you not take less than 10,000 here. If him try to give you 5, 10 no.
Oh, some for collect 10,000?
More than 10, can give him a skettle card and for draw out 10,000 and you a big
so you think he go give me it?
Yeah, I'm picnic.
Some for go down there now?
Go down there.
Okay. Bye-bye.
And not take nothing less than 10. Oh, dirty dog.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Woo. Yes, man. Yes. Watch out. I'm sorry. My manners, the power thing. Drink one a day, you will alright. I feel like your mother is saying, you know. You come here, you know, say morning. You just long out your hand for what?
Good morning.
And when you talk to me with a lower voice. If you have manners.
Good morning.
Me not hear you.
Me come for your money.
And what if you say?
Can I have the money?
And that's your mother saying come for.
Same them things.
You not even say, Daddy, you alright, Daddy? You okay, Daddy? How you day, Daddy? How work, Daddy?
You call ask if me alright?
Many
you
times.
know how me eat? You know how me wear clothes? You know which part we asleep? Oh, me if you call and ask if you alright or you not do it. You ever hear say and say, patient no care, doctor was no care?
You think,
Come.
you think
Just give me the lunch money. Me not the talk. Me can't take it talk. Me the easy for hurt me. And me can't take a dead story them right now.
and your mother tell you bad things out about me? All them mackerel.
You know, so this morning when mommy called the phone, they on speaker. So anybody named Susie or Suzette or Sazi or whatever she want name, make you left my mother, you wanna go plant.
She put your phone power.
Can I have the money? Am I getting the money or I'm not getting the money? Come in the long talking, me need to go up. Me need to go look after my mother. What you gonna do?
You see that card, yeah? No, me give the other one. I think the other one is better for you. How is it? Because that one I make you more if you control it. You can't do nothing else to it. You have to control it. You see that one there now? That one that have your birth number, that are the pin. Your birth year.
Why you me born, daddy?
Me remember, you know. No. Wait. Don't tell me. It's 20. Oh, yes, I think I either 2010. Think me fool?
You think we're 15?
Oh, damn, you're 16. What I have changed that, man. You know. What me put in your birth paper.
Why? Oh, and if that not work, me try the other one, we just say, because after that one, then I don't know why you think. Say. So, wait, that can shop on Shein and Amazon. Can get lace wig and something.
Hello. I give you know. Towards the household. 100,000 a penny.
100,000?
Anytime you use it, me will see the email and come in. Me will block the card if any we call it unnecessary spending.
So like 100,000 a penny, how much you can draw one time?
For now, you go to a supermarket, you buy $20,000 worth of goods.
So 20,000 I can draw one time?
This one I say now, no?
Me want to know why highest money can draw one time. So me just draw it before you block the card. Because me know that you go do, you know. That's if 100,000 even the penny.
MCB have a new rule. No. You only can draw 50,000 at once.
Alright.
First time we could have draw 100, now then cut it down because they're general. They want you to pay more tax.
Alright. I really want to hear that.
Right.
But anyways, me can go up.
And make sure you go straight up and make sure you tell your mother, show him flashing in her face. Say, Daddy, give me car with 100,000. We are going to supermarket.
But we don't know if 100,000 penny yet.
No, I don't know if I save up. You see, all the time when I give you no money, it pile up on me because I don't want to give your mother coming away. Your mother taking mine, man. So I rather put it on a card and give it. So you take yourself and you see a subject there.
So, how you no, never mind. Later.
You're weird.
It's just a one. No one give it all to me. Girl, and I see my friend, girl. Jesus, wipe away again. You're hungry? You're hungry, Nacho? No wonder. Oh, God. Poor thing. When last you eat chicken?
Me are eating now.
No, when last?
I don't even know when last. As I today, I pay chicken, me eat.
Oh.
Come on, me I got KFC.
Oh, you get money from? What, man?
No, in fact, girl.
What?
Me are two different something. Me tell you already, me now walk and catch no man for no money.
Me no walk and touch nobody or do nothing, girl. Either way, me did ask you if I see my friend.
Oh, she did over. Me papa had a big money me here.
Oh.
Yes.
So over there still look that little girl. Remember when I talk about that day? What you mean by you going to chicken for days or anything?
Girl, I'm going my papa. Get card.
Oh.
And you have 100,000 penny.
Well, you know,
at first, I never believe him, you know. I say, I'm touching buy cheap, I buy 2 pieces. Because I want to buy 3 pieces and can't pay for it.
Yeah.
But 2 pieces, because I have $1,000. I'm phone case if they that short at $60. I know somebody that's sorry for me in there. I see go to, I say yes. I buy one car next. I see go to, I say yes. And I buy one Max. I'm walk and I name them. One of this left.
So, oh God, you did a staff not too? Oh,
I eat mackerel and rice every day.
Oh, Jaja. So you never feel like you don't want to carry up some go to your mother? Or that's why you sit down here, so?
Alright, I'm telling you, see my mother now? I believe so my mother have some money I hide.
Oh. So you feel like you can do this, yeah?
So me think so she eat. Even though she don't really have a problem for eat mackerel. But me tell you that mackerel.
Alright, come on for that. You don't feel like you want to change your clothes? Look how you look like a poor thing, girl. Yeah, girl, she in the day, no? Let me see your card.
No.
Girl, me don't want to take card. Me got money. Me don't want to so. Me can't take from poorer than me. And I write a visa card that too, you know, girl. I wonder if you know say you can use that other for Shane.
My father said email go company and go to the car.
Me there, go to the bank and tell them say your papa like something wrong with them or him did mental. Tell them say honey over to you. Do something. Girl, change your clothes. They may look like a poor thing. No, you're not for wear what we wear. You order some nice clothing.
No, I wear them something there, man. Go off and everything.
Me never did say if you wear no under your body or nothing. Me say wear some nice clothes. You don't have to wear what we wear because we wear what we want to wear. You don't have to wear it, so you can wear what you want to wear. And TikTok, girl, you know say you can't make all your money off of TikTok. So anytime you spend, you just sign up on TikTok and you buy gift and you send gift and you get back gift and all of them something there.
And me not have PayPal. Me know about TikTok.
PayPal.
Oh, me no want to give me money. Anyways, your friend did over me and me no know should they buy. But she, you know.
Because if you play such a kid, make you feel like you're imagine now.
Why, if I never hide this? Oh, please let she get through. You get through? Hey.
Mommy, where you get cups up?
In the basket, me did put it. Me never remember, so me did have it. Call me tired.
You put it in the basket. Are you hiding in the basket, mommy? Yes, I didn't see me talk about tonight. Me just tell my friend, you know. So me secretly feel like say, yeah, feed me pan mackerel and you eat fish, lobster and fish tail.
This look like lobster to you?
Because if you hide cup soup, what else you can hide, mommy?
Go look now.
We don't need to look. Daddy say no instead of saying if you come to me. I don't know what that say. Daddy say, he never tell us say, if you send me down there.
He
send don't have no money.
He liar, what is saying you no card?
No.
He give you skettle friend. Card, bank card.
Well, he no give me none. He say, you have man and he no want give you no money because the man we have supposed to come buy me and send me to school because they have a saying say, if you can't feed the calf, don't deal with the cow.
But see
so the man where you have, mommy, me need to go to school. At 3 weeks, no, me not go to school, no. And at 11th grade, me are going now. Oh, me go to the
Hi.
Yeah, but
let me see me and the mother, yes, sir.
And you hide food for your daughter. That
I hide food from your daughter from you coming. Me get the scent. Eh?
What
how
scent?
You smell, how your breath smell like fried chicken, so?
Me don't know.
Me can smell fried chicken.
Me walk past the restaurant.
I noodle me and yam. And me can. You think so me an idiot? Think so me an idiot? And me smell fried chicken pie.
Me walk past the restaurant. We expect.
In here and it come from you so strong. I'm an idiot.
Me can't believe with them life. You see? That is say.
What the
him not give me no money because they have man.
What my man have to do with you and him? And him breed me. I wish I never jump in that young pool. I wish I never lay with him. Oh, Croft. Eh? Not even him pick him can look after. Me no want nothing from him. And you for mine. Me send you go to school at his turn now. And we not even want to do that.
You see all that? That is said that a lie now. That is every Saturday he said, mackerel. Him say something about mackerel. Like him did that try to tell me said. The mackerel them what we have done here, and him send them come down here. And you tell me say, and you buy the mackerel.
You born big and full.
And for the last time I go tell you, me don't eat no chicken and the scent flying in my mouth. Let me go beard. Go and hide your cup soup.
Stink like a what?
That's the right person I wanted to see. Come here. Cause you are talk about the Shein something. Girl,
you set it up.
Yeah, me order $500 US out of something. I know me order $200 and then I go through what happened.
Kind money done.
Yeah, idiot. $550 US sort of thing? You want a suck as a outside? How much money did you panic here? No, 100.
Yeah.
Send it done.
$500.
Yes. Calculate the US. Look up your screen.
I see we made the man then take a for idiot.
So she right.
For 550. These are never say 55,000. 550 times 165. Yeah. 90 to
Girl, that's so much money you use? See my what's
one?
Phone case.
What?
I have a feeling I should introduce you to Shidi.
You have no sense, good girl. You have no sense. What your brain?
You must have your comment so me not talk to you. Me don't want you see me and talk to me. That of the 1, 2. You see the card that my daddy give you. Me I know you get it. So please and kindly come hand it on to me right now. Cause it seems like the one when give me the money done. So come give me come shop again.
This the money done too. I thank God alone.
$10,000 you give me and I never my money after my mother.
So yeah, mother grind my father, me never know.
Me not grind your father, my mother they grind your father.
Sima.
Oh, Sima.
See who ya? Who is him?
Who Jane?
Good.
Yeah man. There man. See girl that what we are telling about. Nice something. Turn on make your man.
Turn off your man.
Listen to me, me telling you already, you know. Me a own no the CM. You not understand the language there. Me a own no the CM.
We understand it. Just pass through the ears and
So the phone the virginity, me a save mine until me get a ring.
Listen up. And it is nice.
And then I want me take back no more.
And it's nice. You not gonna make it hot. You go get money.
Me no want no money.
Go marry you.
Me no want no man married me.
Girl, wait. I want to clear them there. I will chip in just how you was. I want to clear it.
Me figure it out.
You can't
clear it for you.
Money a problem.
What's it? Money.
I'm money them there.
Money a problem.
Girl,
Me have money, girl.
Me have money too.
Money a problem. I'm money.
Me have money too.
Money can't do. Oi, look them. Oh, you love money, sir.
That place are hard to get, man.
Me not ready for them send them.
You not have to do nothing. Just get to know and chat to him.
Me can't talk to him out here, so.
No, I don't want to hear him come. You might want to talk to you privately, girl.
You can go on.
Alright, come.
We are come with you. We are following.
No, me don't want nobody follow me go nowhere. Uno go on.
Oh, so you go.
Maybe, no.
See him twirling here. Talk to him and come.
What's your name?
Shanice.
Nice to meet you, Shanice.
Nice to meet you too. What's your name?
Call me Toga.
Okay, well, Toga, I don't really like them people that know about my business. Because I don't want when near them not talk, then go spread my business around. And my mother go ear. Because every little pan drop she ear.
Oh, no, not with me, no spread the road. Anything wrong with me, confidential. Strictly confidential, me I tell you. So you have follow coming on?
I don't want nobody see me.
Nobody not see girl.
They see them there.
No,
we are going. Later, girl. We call you.
Alright.
Bring me, alright, friend.
Make sure you put the next app up on the tree so I can pick your phone up.
So say you walk around and there with people for them
No,
virginity
one
alone.
time I pick them apple and I don't know what going on.
So we have this side.
Me have money for me.
$50.
Me hold for money for me, girl.
So you know, no.
Hold it for money.
$5,000 no. $2,000.
No, me have 5,000 around, sir.
So give me 3 of them.
5,000. Relax, man, relax. Come in, first.
No.
Work, then you get money.
No. You see the
Work,
signs
then
on TikTok say? Touch out your hand before you open up, yes.
No, that's on TikTok. We not
You say not even have no card? Nothing?
No, me have card over my yard.
So no, you have to give me something, at least one little tips, one little something, make me see input. Me just say, when me up my foot, and when me look, and me jaws, when I go drop money, go drop too.
You're sure of money and I probably.
I can't take a talk, you irritate me so bad. I not like mean money, no. You can't give me something now.
What you do?
What that?
Girl, some money. Today.
The day we reach $1,000.
Today. Money. What you mean the $1,000? This does, it's short. Short of 2 bits. Come in, man, and stop playing so hard. I say,
Me not play hard, me just not, me not lay down with nobody who can't mind me. You know, like I can't mind me. Cause I know you can't open up here. We can't give me one big money up to now.
Take my money, give somebody a word.
Somebody will suffer.
Take some money.
Come here, have some package more clear. Come, which part you see?
A package you want clear now?
Yeah.
Oh, come.
Sorry, I just way up. Sorry, I just way up. I just want to fast, you know. Jesus, come on. So ugly move by Mr. Good sweet, you know. As when I see no other people, I don't know for so long.
Man. Young girls.
So long.
And then I have nothing better for her though.
Yeah. You know, say I couldn't just simply ignore we and walk going away, Sniff.
No, man, I'm glad some of that under the window no. And I'm afraid some people label you as skettle.
Skettle? Skettle? Wait out here, so. You will see the real skettle soon. Yet. Our heart.
Son.
Oh, the sun.
How hot you so?
The sun.
The sun hot you. And you can't. I want to go on there, sir.
I don't know me there.
I want to really. Shut you. No, sir.
That was good.
What?
Good.
Young man, what was good? Cut your hand off of my face, girl. What was good? Eh? I want to go on this, sir. I would have really uppercut my picnic. Package. You know what? Me I gonna send you clear and you put back a Mickey and manage you. You turn big woman under my roof. All I take man behind bush. Huh? You take man behind bush now. You turn skettle. Lord God.
Nobody kill him.
Me gonna send you your papa, you know. Me gonna send you your papa. Cause you now bring belly in my yard.
Girl, come girl.
You now bring belly.
Oh no.
Stop it up! I still got through it too.
So true, no, now the skettle category, you got skettle, me picnic too.
Me there, I one. Are you will take it? Are you will follow? I know. For your example, we are follow.
Listen to me. I never take our foot and lift her up and carry her go no.
Me say we.
Your belly hurt you. You go down, go park.
No.
You go straight to your pocket. You
My grind feel like it here.
I saw your sausage.
Where package money there? Get the package money.
No, girl.
If you get it,
I sell it too.
no. You don't know say
Pack. Yeah, come on.
Mommy.
you order what if I think $550 US for Shane.
That's a 90,000.
Yes.
For what?
Close store.
Where this big money I come from, Sheena, what?
Daddy give me one card, 100,000. Funny, I tell you, if you make you know. And me did buy Papa yesterday.
So my nose never blind. I really chicken me the smell.
Mommy,
You not pain, yeah. Wait.
Talk about it tomorrow.
Girl, let me tell you what to do for ease up a pain. I can go steam out here and we alright.
Don't back up my pitney already. Go on.
Go on. That's like in ice water.
Tell me not eat that thoughts here. You're different. You can stretch your papa.
I'm going to lie to sooner or later I'm going to take him. So I'm going to go back with business.
Susie, listen. Now tell me that I give you a card yesterday with $10,000, right? You're supposed to do. Sawa.
Come here, you. All you two.
Hold on there. Hold on, Susie. My ex come here.
Hang up the phone. You're picking your deal bills. Me I deal with your picnic.
Am I phone, you know?
Me I deal with your picnic right now. Me not no time for waste while you talk to your skittle whore or whatever.
Hey, what?
Your picnic you deal with.
What?
Your picnic you deal with. Eh? All you two. And you should get the black heart from, you know? And you should get the bad heart
She
from.
supposed to have the attitude, because me is the strongest blood. Me. So she supposed to have the brains of me
Yes,
have.
man, she take your brains. You should take your brains with you. You really mean forgive her 100,000 or how much 100,000 pound card and not tell me?
What do you mean by not tell you?
You tell her. Where you go?
Come here. When me get 100,000 and tell her to do yesterday on the card?
Tell mommy said me get 100,000, 20 for gas supermarket and if you carry two gas school.
Amen.
You's a little liar.
Amen.
Me tell you.
You know what she gonna do?
What?
She gonna buy Popeyes or KFC or whatever not. She come in and me smell the chicken on her bread.
Wait a second. Hold on.
Right?
Let me check my email.
And not even that. Just check it.
Let me check my email.
Check it. Come here, wanna know which fool I gonna give teenage daughter card with big money penny and tell her enough to tell me.
You buy 3 piece. This look like a more than 3 piece. And what you buy, so?
1 3 piece and 2 piece and 1 Max box and corn.
Hey, me not give you the...
No, hold on. $550 US and 60 cents. Where are the machine?
And then my friend then take a picture of the card and look like she order something.
So how your friend know me birth month? Eh? How your friend know me?
Daddy, when you shop and she just need a picture up on the front and the code and the expired date and it's no in the back. You don't need nothing else.
So what kind of slackness in my bank you go with?
It's not done. If you call your grandpapa, she take for your card cause you found full picnic card with big money pan and go sell front. She go sell her virginity.
No, that's a lie.
So you
that's a lie.
You
that's
she take it from?
That's a lie.
She take it from and you just say she take after you because you are the stronger one. Take her.
Me look like a virgin. Why she take her from me?
Me can't deal with her.
Come here. Come down.
Me can't deal with her.
Stand up right there, so.
And that's how it go.
Which virginity take you so? Me want to know because I know your mother, your mother virginity gone long before me know her.
I know mine.
She just sell it, she give away.
I don't give away. Mom, we never have no more money for collect a package. And the boy is saying will give me money for collect a package. So we making tasty cherry.
Boy! You have to go keep her.
The boy don't have no money. No, let me understand this now. Let me get this clear in my head. She had a machine with me card, right? $550 US 60 cents, right? You don't have no money if you pay if you collect then the package they call then the package they are good as 30 and 40 and 50 and 60,000 if you collect it, right? Right. You don't have that the money there. But yet you're going to lay down with boy feet to take your cherry.
We never lay down, we turn up.
Lord God.
My friend then say he will pay for the package for me.
And you're going to lay down and give away your virginity.
I'm not lay down, daddy, me tell you.
Alright, you turn up. You bend what?
Like this, and then me come so and did that work.
You know, like, I feel like you know.
Your mind, you just turn around and say, you are the stronger blood. She take after you because you are the stronger blood.
No, me never said that. Me say, me are the stronger blood. She take it off of you.
Well, here we me nah do no. Run up my pressure and give me strokes.
Something else, let me talk to me picnic because me feel like say, me take away my picnic from you.
No, you don't need to take her away from me. Me bring her to you. You don't have to take her.
No, you don't bring her, let me take. Listen, stand up and listen to me I say. You use a condom?
Only I'm so.
Jesus, please deliver me.
My friend never tell me that.
Deliver
she
me. She
just say me for go on and do what some for do and then the package them pay for. But me can't get by my virginity and it's like what cherry grow up on tree. When I pick one cherry come back.
Okay. So
oh my God.
May I leave her with you?
No, hold on, father.
Drop down, say
What you say? What you say about? What you say about? What you say about?
Me will not alive it.
What you say about pick cherry?
My friends say a cherry can grow back like a cherry grow up on tree, and when you pick a cherry come back.
The cherry come
and
back.
And they say they do it already and they always do it.
And they always do it.
Yeah, you know one of them come to you for money and you give her your card.
My stepdaughter.
And your stepdaughter?
And you come along. That bad getting girl.
Something like
where
that.
Every man in the community I run through it. I mean I want him mama, I tell me say nothing like that.
But me did
and I
think
see him out.
Can you give her money and you give her a card we can use panshine. So she said, if you use that one panshine.
You go tell us.
Me lost a card.
You can't go back to your mama, you know. Me and your pee clock, you can't come out here. But you go a man. You look for you, but you are a man. You can't even buy a bulla. Eh? Right now. Look, girl. You better go on in, you know. Go on in. And don't come back out. You can't even buy stay free. You boy can take man. Make man plug your cherry. Eh? So why you come in here with belly now? Eh? Eh? I see, you see them a girl picking here. They not learn too much bad company. My backside, man. Father God. What to them a picking nowadays? I feel like when them a put in at the burger, them a data pump them up and give them breast.
Trish! I'm not like, come on, girl, you know. Girl, come on, girl. You like me hairstyle?
Girl, what you want?
You like me hairstyle?
Me don't even see you yet.
You like me hairstyle?
No, why problem?
Why?
Can you follow me too much? Why your problem?
Me dear, me never follow you do nothing. No bother with that.
Why your problem?
You know, come on now, we are go out.
I'm not going nowhere. Therefore, I even know say over here me there now.
Because your mother, me here say your mother put you out. So me here up on the streets.
I put me out, she send me down to my father yard.
So
no need for know.
Oh. So you say I come?
No, me not
Why?
coming out the road.
You're a big girl now, you know.
The last time me check, your mother and my father in a business, right? And it's so fortunate to be my father would be a stepfather, right? So if I a stepfather, you have to know same strict. Me not leave the yard because me can't take no more lick.
Girl, you're not gonna get no more lick.
Yeah,
remember say you're a big girl now, you know. You lose your virginity already, you know.
And you can't get no trick me, you know. Cause you say you can't get back a virginity, you know, girl. All the hell me forget it back now.
Me never want no conversation so you can't get back virginity. You eat it? Or you go get back someone don't take. Eh? As me I say, you're a big girl and you can't lick you for the same thing again.
Well, me don't want to come. You make me lose my virginity. I mean, I really in a no talk
I mean, it open up your legs them some push.
See, I know me can't get the package, you know. I know me can't get the package then.
And you're in a house. You might not go come on.
Me don't even get the money.
Who on there talk about virgin? Huh? Which one on there talk about virgin?
You know your ears aren't clean?
What do you mean?
We say Virginia. No, Virginia.
But they're America. That we are talking about. One of my friend them I got Virginia.
Oh, fly upon the Iron Bird. Nice.
So when I'm fly upon the Iron Bird.
I'm so proud of them.
Yes. She should get a scholarship.
Iron Bird.
When they make you fly upon the what?
Iron Bird.
Any day and day. When the day come, I do exam them, I don't feel the one.
But anyways.
So I don't feel the one.
It's like how I see you. You can't give me one 13,000 life for collect your package.
I did tell her to take my car go hard.
No, me I sell them back and get back the money and give you back half.
Has she broke you out?
Me? Yeah. And she come call me out of the yard.
Let me tell you something. Pink.
I lie.
Listen to me, your mother broke you out, you know. Me now broke out for me picking, you know.
Ain't done broke out already. She gone through the gate.
What you know about my daughter? Eh?
Something what you don't know.
Me here say you are your friend.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me daughter go give him to man.
Yes.
Make man picking cherry.
Me
I know him cherry can't come back.
Me leg and tell him man to push something in there.
Tell you already, you know.
Me never do that.
Year one. I'm telling your mother, I said never did she move out because of Susie. Eh? Because of Susie, she move out. If your mother did under my roof, you couldn't lose that. That would have to stay shut until the day me put you out and do it and say go on out. What you call big girl?
Eh?
Let me tell her this. She's 17,
body ready.
she's 16, 17, I don't remember which age because me share myself, you don't know me daughter birth. But at least me being a father of
I don't think I am father.
But shut your mouth. Me.
And you did love Susie.
If she did under my hand, that couldn't happen. You know what is a big girl? You talk about big girl. When you're 18, you're not a big girl. Tell her that.
So you don't want the package money?
No. You open up your mouth to me daughter about no package money, you see me bury you and call your mama.
Me then go over me yard.
You see people like, oh, tell the person. Where you go?
Me I go over.
Me still can beat you, you know.
No.
Stand up right yourself. Watch your icky your neck.
A fight, me did a fight.
And the icky go there.
No, and
you did a fight and the man stuck on your neck.
I look like how that happen.
Like
he might bite me. Like he might bite me.
Don't follow pick me like
let him go.
Let's see if you want good out of life. Par with people and think about man.
I don't man we are telling about.
Let's say friend. Real friend.
You want to listen to your father?
If you open up your mouth and shut your box, your mama feel it when there.
That's true.
Real friend. Do not influence you if you go tech man. We'll teach you that. Real friend. Influence you if you go a library, sit down and study and get yasso. Me never say if you have education you can't get money, no. But if you have your education, because if you have education, man I go take you for map.
But
you understand? You see, I don't start. Real dunce. Man, I go take you for map or socks. You know how white socks look, right? You know when they wear what happen?
Dirty.
And when they can't wash it, what do you do?
Wash it.
Good. Now you're learning, my daughter. So stay away from man. Man is destruction. You see what happened between me and your mother? Eh? Me make other woman influence me and me gone to them.
That are you.
Every man is the same.
Suppose me influence the man to come to me.
Alright. If you influence the man to come to you, you don't feel like somebody else is going to do the same thing.
Me can't hold him back.
Why? That's like a father. That's.
What did she take? Oh God, girl.
So what church then when you fuck her?
Girl?
What?
Church can't left in yard. Oh, my father and the member and father strict. And she told folk because she could have left her yard.
His father watch him too much. Because sooner or later I can't go top him. So I don't know where my
that me I say because a big girl she ready to get plucked.
He get plucked already still.
You want more plucking?
Yes, same feather them.
Well, I guess I feel start. I feel go on the road for now.
You call him nigga?
Yes, me call him. So I go check him.
Come on, go take a shot.
Hold up.
What?
There, man, I'm gone.
Nothing there. So remember you did say we check us, we check a fee. So, no.
Oh, fee money?
Yeah.
So me, then I go sleep with me, you know.
Remember with age.
So you can't remember which age?
Remember with age, remember so we don't live by ourselves, we can't sleep with you.
Oh. So the next thing can go on before I get the money. You two one can give me something.
No, sir.
What you want $2?
What can I do with $2?
You say give us something for box or something.
I mean no box. Oh, you want me to take box from you and I give you my money.
You no must expect them want something in their bed for go on, something for go on in their bed.
No, sir. You told me we can go one time.
How make it one you can go one time?
No, we not depend that the money will come boy.
Girl, would you think we just come with money and then go back where we are go?
Well, you can't just come for money just so I feel so you go get money, not for work for money. Money not just get up and
Well, if I not give you money, I tell me if we go on then, cause I never used to come in and
well,
people and
talking. If you don't do what I'm telling you to get the money, you go on then. Best thing we
Come
do.
here, come
Alright then. Tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow.
Alright, come back. Make sure me get through
shut
tomorrow.
up now.
Make sure you shall give me money for I know you know say thing wells. Girl, let me tell you what I plan for tomorrow. You say you go over there, we go pretend like so we are going to give me to here. You say you give me now, we go take one plan, stifle him.
No, you've reached too far. I don't want to go for the fiasco.
No, and knock him and go knock out. Me search up
Better you
and
say if it just go so and strangle him.
Look
That
at
better.
the 2 on our plan.
But we can't get money.
You know what we are planning for?
No yard for go to.
Rasta lady, you see it there now? Look.
No yard for
Rasta.
no breeding at all.
Rasta. It is this simple. You see us, you ignore us and you walk by. Why
Every time you see we talk.
You come here and run your mouth.
And create problem with we.
Yeah, my daughter there for yard.
Thank you, just if you like him, Papa, can't keep him from come and work out take man.
We don't know.
There with
yeah, she in a company.
Oh.
You know, so she better off.
You feel like she better off? You know, say, me I wonder if I true me mother there with your baby father. Make you always see me and I text said for me, but me feel like I say if I cook it clean, your baby father all the stream gone to my mother. That means say my mother good. That's why I'm good here.
Your mother take wash left. Me surprised. She's a fight for dead.
You go run
down in dead left.
She take
any day that man
leave little girl.
Your
mother just pick up all things, all borrows.
Are you wrong, Baka? Because what? A man of mine fear mother and give nothing. You tend to take everybody.
Remember when
my picnic.
You remember when he give me car and you give no money? You not get not even $1. You not say not get no money.
You not get nothing need.
You man go on your yard. You not talk to you because I know me I take your baby father.
No,
you come on and argue with this woman here.
Can't help you. You one way you
right.
go.
Every time the woman texted for me.
You know, so one of these nice, lovely days, we are going to lick him down the
every time he half dead Ross. That you going to do.
Trish! Oh, please lock up. Trish! Papai! Hold on. Oh. What happened? You alright?
Yeah.
Where your daddy?
No, I'm gone.
Oh. Hold on. Your daddy not there?
No.
And you there?
What happened?
Kakafat! He really changed you for true. Eh?
Yeah.
When you there home, and me beg you don't leave the yard. As soon as me turn my back, you're gone.
Well, no bad. I don't feel like I'm gonna.
Okay.
Traumatized.
Traumatized? What? Your daddy too strict with you at that?
Too weird.
What you talk about weird?
If me in a bathroom, and me a bed, you want do. And then, me da come out of the bathroom, right? In nobody do. And then me go back in the bathroom, he want do. So it's like me have to a beard with him in the bathroom. Then now, I wrap up in my toilet. And me come out of the bathroom and me go in the room. He done do. And come in the room. So, me I say, I want to put on my clothes. And I say, I put on clothes. So me have to put on my clothes in front of him. I like, don't you? I want to go.
That no sound right. But me know how you stay to, you know. So me not take it.
Yeah.
Me not take it for word. Cause when you want what you want, you say anything.
Morning.
Morning. Oh no,
man.
me come check.
I'm gonna go up on the road and check my jack, you know?
Okay.
I have one partner too. So, this I wanna know. You see, I'm gonna ring off the head. I mean, look how bad, my stepdaughter, the bad one. Come here, call her out. Like a man, them plan to go look.
Me buck that up on the road and I have to deal with them. She and her bad friend.
See what me I try to show you? I mean, one day and night. You listen to me. You're under my roof. Anything happen to you, and me police are come to.
Venomous.
And then you see that little girl, you me feel like I can get it from you.
No man, she change. Come impress. Me come here and you not there. And she there in the house.
No, you can't.
She not leave the yard.
She can't leave because I have a little mini camera in there. So she can't leave. Me turn on the two of them. You can't leave.
Camera?
Yes.
So you have camera up on her?
Monitoring her. She cannot leave the yard. She must in her book. Me put it right at the desk, sit down and study.
Okay. So you take your book.
You think me I gonna waste my money for she and he no get no subject? When I done dig hole and bury it one.
Which two are we? Me want to see the day name there you think say you bad enough to manage me.
Me have to bury it one.
I'm come look for you.
Of course. You're welcome to come. But boy, me have to give you 10 out of 10, Papa, because me love how things are run.
Father of the year I shall get. And
you still have to, me love that.
Me not be like some of them, man, who are sperm donor. You know what is a sperm donor? They let out the sperm and this one the belly. Me not do them there something. By the way, me can't blame most of the man them. Me have to blame the woman them because I only careless.
Which part?
Me go teach you why I'm not careless and I today you go learn.
Hey.
So I can't go in.
You have to learn. Shut your mouth. You're soon 18. When you see a man, you are two different type of man. Right? When you see a man, I look you. You look at them from head to toe, right? Not so back in the days to analyze man from head to toe, right? No. Me not never look from head to toe. The man they whenever take up nowadays are the man with their foot off so out of their slippers. They heel back dirty and the man them so with them pants and the yasso.
I so make me love you, you always make me laugh.
So, them take up them man then. Them man they don't want no woman.
That's true.
Them man they pre themselves as a girlis. But a girl fool them. Because the more girl you have, the more money you spend. That's why them poor. We're going forever poor because we're too greedy.
The mindset.
Our mindset is full. We want 6, 7, 8 girl. Just like the man them. No, the man them, the girl them. Just like the girl them, you know. They want 7, 8, 9, 10 man.
Oh no, we learn it from you know. A woman is the most caring people.
Yeah,
and then we just stop take the hurt them from man. So some woman say, bun for bun. We are get it, so we are gonna give it to. It just hotter for uno, cause we know how to do anything.
No. Bun for bun will lead you to death. You ask me why.
Daddy. Okay, I'm going to
Yo, why you learn? Go on, kind of go on. Powers road. Take your backside, go on in. What roadway? It is me and my same thing. Let me tell you something now. Bun to bun. Me nah gonna say some man no get bun in but you might as well move on.
Well, true.
But if you move on and you reach 5 by your finger, not gonna further. Give relationship a break. Love it alone. But if you want to know if a man loyal, you find some girls, you pay some girls for lucky man. Approach man. Anyway, you know say man there, you send the girls them go there. Make them wear some mini skirt. Then if you go to a man, you know, and approach him and look them, you know, we have things are set up, you know. But if you put them in a mini skirt and put them to bend over, jobs and bend over and take up it, the man done signing contract right there, so the man I go call to her. Because man is so full to the flesh. The flesh controlling mind.
Mm-hmm.
Just like
little head think for the big head.
Right. Just like the woman, the money control them.
Not all women. Not all women.
What catch you?
Sweet mouth, I'm a fool for true. Because I make you sweet mouth and think
it's just like money. It's just like money. Some man not have the sweet mouth and then just comes to see them, you know. When they see girl come, then take out the money.
Oui.
Ush. I tell Ush, I mean, you should have see.
Me no say foolishness you chat now, see?
Alright.
So this is when you for top.
Then take out the money. And see them, and skip. And them count, you know. And then no say, them why you see it and them count, you know, feel nice. Try catch you the money.
Yeah, man. You have them frightened chicken head girl, you know.
And you see all the man them where you see, I wear all the tag for the clothes them when I go to a party. They try to catch some girl too. For sure them say, brand new. We don't do them foolish there. A respectable man just properly.
True.
No pants on the body, no foot cock off out of heel back in the suppers, dirty like a them chalkboard. And the man them wear bleach, oh God.
Oh Lord. Papa.
Especially human them. Oh Lord have mercy.
Me come for check you and my daughter and me hear what me for hear.
Money me
I forgot. Then look no, come in for look too.
Everybody have to look too.
Look no, come in for look too.
You go on.
How much years you have to catch up on?
Go on.
You lucky so she not start so the big takeaway them. But you're going good.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, little bit.
You beg to come.
Girl, Cindy.
Mom,
Go on.
let's see today now.
So, me not telling you say, yo, if you not get the money from me, you two and have to come over me and come do something.
Well, if two we now come one time, so one by one.
Well, it don't really matter.
Okay.
Once me I get something, you shall get the money.
One first, sir.
Say coffee me first.
Which one on the first I come?
She first.
Well, me not really want to go on me yard too, so all also over here, so you can just
That's
bust
really
a fast piece.
You better make sure, sir. Look here.
Alright.
Don't touch me.
Brother.
Just so we turn up for
Oh,
one
she
lady.
does say something, come on.
Sure. Woohoo! Girl, that now go on the backside,
How
girl.
was your girl?
Hey, man. Girl, see what's yo. Me say, me decide say no, me not do that. That the money they can't turn we hit there. Say no, me I go stay right here. Me nobody need the money.
You don't have no sense. You can't make that the money they go to waste. Sit down right here and wait for me. I go show you off.
What? Yeah, work it and I'll come back. Me you crazy? Oh God, me back all me and me dey forget. What kuya? Aye, I want me feel hand upon your head.
Your friend over there, knock out. Can't
What you
move.
mean knock?
Weak out.
Oh. So what y'all gonna do?
Me no know.
That me no know that's so serious. What you doing? You wake up?
Wake up.
You like
No. Me nah move. Me a touch me nah move.
So you don't call the ambulance, you come out here with the amp on your head. Where your phone, they call them, I no credit.
Call, you know ambulance number, call.
Yes. Because I did have them pass standby for situation like them here, you know. Yes. Yeah, we have an emergency. One girl knock out. What? Alright, hurry up. Hey.
Them a come.
Yes, them a come. Guess what? Me, I go call him. Woman, it's Susie. I call Susie here.
Hurry up, call him.
Yeah.
You know one thing that I'm yard.
No, me, where your yard, nigga?
Yeah, me know, yeah.
Who's that your voice? Trish, how are you, Papa, the girl?
No, auntie.
I say, let's get so there's no time to do play with that.
It's as far as me can go. Me never can go shop.
I know that my combo. There's a girl like a happy so far. But my father no
What go on?
Really? Miss a girl, man, really say, you know. So we go to one boy when you kidding. I say anytime we go, Me say, man, have a piece of little boy beneath his foot as a girl. When me say that, me say, no, me not doing nothing. And then me come out. We really know with fear boy self. Then she take up her enough self. Gone in the room. Money and come here. Never hear no more. Me with my enough self go check. No, really that me see a flutter like a fall. Man done cripple him. Right now in the hospital. You want to see him? And he put them here, see me, I'll show you. Under him cripple around here, so bend up for say, look, I said I feel walking and gone. He say, girl, I did want to laugh at time, but just because I'm my best friend, I couldn't really make him do that.
Then you really mean to tell me say I saw that little something that can cripple you?
Yes, girl. But say coming like you go wrong part time back. I don't know that. Wait, you sure?
Girl, me don't know it from my father. There must be something in the banana bush.
You know, say that the man there know I go all for your mother she I go chat about how bad company this and bad company that.
Bad company, yes! Bad company. You're bad. Where's your up now, cuz? You come like me here while I want to run round table. Eh?
We see you never had table here, so nobody run wrong.
Susie, on the phone there come off with Susie.
You not really business boy, yeah, Susie. What if you
Susie called me saying daughter in the hospital because of man.
Because Susie and his daughter and his man business.
I phone a friend.
Over friend.
And they always say, show me your friend. You say, why me take you away from your mother? You say, why me take you away from your mother?
You never take more from my mother. My mother fling me upon you.
If me never why you here, you have to go back to your mother at the same time.
Don't send me back now, no.
Send you back where? If you go end up like a them?
Who is them,
no,
sir?
me go be better than them. Me go make a big grandfather.
The backside.
No,
better that way.
Me not go cripple no. Me go make you have and be able to hush.
Yes.
And make you know what you did for do when me did born. Understand?
So we are back go come here, so no.
Girl, me full of talk, but me not full of... I will cut you.
Susie, girl, me don't remember to tell you. Susie, and they go, Susie fling piss pan him.
God. And you run and cut up yourself.
The feds are product. Me did them.
And you boss Susie.
And them are going
me done with that. Me done with she.
She never want you.
Because me call me and tell me about his daughter like him piece and me want her. Half of me gonna go catch her with man. Me bypass that, but you chat too much. You chat too much. Love me business alone and top break up my pitney. Stop carrying me pitney go a man yard. Titanic nose. Stop it.
Think more, man. Look here.
What? You see, what me tell about them friends the way you have. Me will give it all time for him, you know.
Listen to me.
I will give it all time for him.
You don't jack. Because if you look at me and call me Titanic nose, then you want me to call you?
Watch out for your mama come. What is for me now? Eh? What is for me? What a problem?
What's all the noise? You hear a shout.
See? A stress problem in the morning. Yeah.
What kind of stress and problem? You find stress in everything. And what's up?
You know you happen?
What?
You know you about him friend?
Hello, my friend.
You know already.
Yes! Susie called me too. Me did left Susie night earlier because me decided to be done with Susie now. Me left him. So,
you left she or she left you? Remember some me here top and run, you know. Which one?
Well. I guess you're here. Where you here?
Nobody want me here.
Mommy, I talk to you.
So
privately.
Privately? Go along in the house if you want to chat privately. Come in.
Me always have time for my daughter, you know.
You man will go on in.
Me always
go
have
inside.
time for my daughter.
Yes, on our time. Take all the time.
Mommy, come. Me want to talk to you about something. You see, when me talk to you about something for once in your life, believe me. Case if you don't believe me, mommy, I swear upon your life, me a run away.
Alright.
Run, me there, run. Me never want nothing. Yeah, me just take up my foot and me just run. Last night, you know, you see, every time me a bathe, daddy come in the house, in the bathroom, right? So me not bother bathe last night. I don't bathe, I just change my clothes. And I go into my bed. In the 2-3 o'clock as me turn. None of the face that me I look up in a. Me left in room and come in a room. Come sleep side of me for no reason. He naked.
In what?
Mommy.
In what?
In naked as the day born. Me I see what make me.
So hold on. When you wake him and ask him what go on, what happened?
He said if you go back go sleep.
Go with sleep. Baby, me sorry because when you tell me the other day, me never to. Him still outside. This can't go on. Come. We are tackling about this. So whatever. No, sir. No, man, this can't go on. Where am there? Oh, you're still there. Come. And what is me really here say? You are coming with little girl in a bed naked and I come in the bathroom when she in the bath, eh?
Wait a second.
You hear what me say, you're not deaf?
A prank, yeah, prank me, man.
Which prank?
No, man, yeah, prank.
Which prank? Papa, from the other day my daughter come to me with this, you know? From the other day she come to me with this, you know? I'm just watching, you know?
So you believe she over me?
Papa,
well,
me know say you're weird, you know? Do I?
And that's it, I tell the mother, say.
Tell mommy everything.
She tell me everything.
Tell her.
Every time she go to bathroom, you want come in con shit. And when she come out, you don't want shit no more. Eh? The other night, my daughter, she had no feel picnic. My daughter go to bed and open her eyes like 2, I make 4. With you naked as a day you born. Eh? You don't have no disgrace. Eh? Your family ram. What picnic, Papa, really?
Me should have dashed you in that, yo.
Dash her who?
You believe her?
What not for believe? Eh? Me never believe her. And that me I do.
Ask her.
Tell him what you tell me.
When me never bed last night, I'm go sleep. And at 2 o'clock when me turn on, me did see him naked. And me ask him.
Picture me in the bed.
Me ask him what am I doing here. And he said if you go on back.
How you gonna lick? You already try use your pole from Philly picnic? Come. Me not even grab no bag. Me not want her clothes. Bun that. And everything for bun down. You is a pervert. Come.
Wow, you see?
Wow! Look who free.
Well, go on, girl. My back on the street.
Yeah, but
Until all that bella coffin, me never remember the whole road look, girl.
Oh, God.
So what? Where we are going now?
Girl, me did say me I go check Tibby. That me did say because me did I go, me no know off, but me did just I go take him.
Me alright. Me think me stay right so till you come because
I the money me I go for girl. Me I go for no.
You can't go for money, me did.
What?
Speaking of the devil.
Which devil?
I him and Riri, girl.
With the big.
Yes, with the little big something.
Take your time, walk along.
Walk go on way.
Down the road that you go on with she. Go on, go on.
No, I the money. Cause you never give.
You never come back.
You not give me Riri one I know. Riri say me for collect if you are.
Me will give you that. You don't worry about that.
After you put her in the hospital, cripple.
Hey. Wagwan.
Wagwan.
How him?
I him a Riri. I him cripple Riri.
How him?
No man, I feel cherry.
Yeah, give me money for collect the package.
Man, come before the rain come down.
Over there, so we are going
No, you're going.
Me not really like the unfinished house business, you know.
Right.
Cut me young and me need to go nice place. I can't take me to the villa or some hotel or something nice.
Alright. Look how more me care got nice place.
So give me money now for
You understand?
So give me money now for your package.
Come here.
God, open that trick me again.
Yeah.
No chip.
Also, I'm alone about
How you can really find time for pregnant? Look, all you, you're not shame. You're not shame.
What you talking about?
What we talk about? Better me did keep me picnic with me. Yeah, talk about you breed your own a picnic. You lay with your daughter and breed her. Prank? She pregnant.
What do you mean by
And I one man she tell me touch her. And you're not shame.
Mommy.
What you saw?
And I like me did that tell comedy you want come mom. And never touch me.
You see this scene?
Now when me saying it come in the bathroom, me a do when me a beard a lie.
You see what you see them mess up
See me baby father there.
This a man here.
That! And you have me believing say your father bring you and accusing him of all kind of thing. He could have got jail. He could have lose his life.
Oh, I'm told.
You want me there to have any
So you move far.
You breed me, pick me?
Me?
You breed
me? Because you think when you making tell me you breed. So shut your mouth.
Me?
And they say you go give me money for collect the package.
Okay.
Try go find your baby father.
How
Try go
this?
find your
Are you, cause you take me cherry and me do not do nothing with nobody else.
Oh! Are you broke out with pick me? Are you broke out with pick me?
What you mean by me?
Who bring the daughter?
You gonna find me baby father? Are you?
Are you tell her to tell lie too?
I want him to tell us, you know. Shut your mouth, you know. Let me talk. You see us and today, you have to turn up in my daughter's life.
Yes.
You're not going to be one of the men who will breed.
That.
And this one.
And you lie.
You're going to work. You're going to work towards taking care of it.
Yes.
You hear me, sir?
You work for make it, you have to work for take care of it.
You're going to do 60% and she's going to do 40%. You're going to work too. 60%, 40%.
Me no know about no belly.
No, you don't know.
Me not did one time.
That's all it take.
When me cherry take on the other time when I say me go get the money for collect
I know, no
package.
other man.
Oh, so sell yourself.
I'm alone. Let me tell you this. 80% you have to know. And you're alone, go there. You get it good. And you're alone, go there. You do 80%. And you do 20. And hey,
much joke you make? You didn't even know if your daughter bad. Your daughter bad. She apart with some bad girl from around her.
But me and them don't stay
She apart with some bad girl from around her Gulumba there. Them girl have pay man. Pay man them forward. One back of the other. So you can't say happy me Pitney.
Me no business with nobody else, you know. But me I try to make sure tell her say. You see. Hey, me I talk to you, tell her price.
Hey. Me no want no fight.
Wait, who him? You hold him already?
Taking picture. You see if you don't mind the picnic, me put him picture out of station. Say a grape you.
What?
Say a hold you down. So you keep your mouth.
But
you
the time make police lock him up.
When the police lock him up?
No one then lock him up.
But you want to see that? You see, no.
Me have to apologize. Me have to apologize. No, me wrong. Me can't believe, say, she tell that breed a lie on you. No, me apologize already. Me done apologize already.